My lord, with the consent of my senior, my lord, I'm mentioning item number 14. We have got instructions, my lord. We need to file an affidavit. Just for that, I'm taking time.
Item 14.
Yes, my lord.
How much time do you require?
My lord, 10 days. In 10 days, my lord, we'll file that.
Fixed
Done?
date may be given. Fixed date may be given.
Okay.
They've taken numbers of time.
No, my lord, now the thing has come.
It's all right.
Good news for them. They have got a.
Item 14, isn't it?
Our
Mr.
Rahul Dhar.
sir, my lord.
Ardhar Learned Counsel. You're Rahul.
Rahul, my lord.
Rahul. Mr. Ardhar Learned Counsel for the respondent Higher Education Department.
No, my lord, this is tribal affairs.
Sorry,
Tribal affairs.
I'm sorry. Tribal Affairs Department submits that he has received the instructions and prays that he may be given 10 days time to file the counter affidavit. Mr. B.D. Das, Learned Senior Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, has no objection to the appeal. Video for birth, list the matter again on.
My lord.
Abdullah.
Right. Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11, Lordship.
11.
Lordship, in this case, Mr. B. Prakash is appearing for response 6, Lordship. Lordship, he is out of station, Lordship.
Who?
11.
Who's out of station?
Mr. B. Prakash, Lordship.
Gurgasta.
I am there, my lord, for the petition, my lord. Of course, if there is urgency, my lord. Can it be fixed on 4th of February, my lord?
I don't know what is this situation.
10th.
10th. Tuesday, hearing date.
Is it hearing date?
It's a hearing date.
Lordship, 2 more items, Lordship.
Just a minute, let me pass the order. Mr. B. Prukasta, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 6 is out of station. And therefore adjournment has been sought on his behalf. Stop. As paid for and not objected to by the other side, that the matter be listed on 10th of February. Yes,
Lordship, a similar prayer for item number 13 and 24, Lordship. For petitioner, Lordship.
13
And 24.
and 24. Can we have the same date? Dates will differ. Okay. Mr. B. Prokasta, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, is said to be out of station. And on a prayer made on his behalf and not objected to by the other side, list the matter on 17-2. There's item 13, then the other one,
24.
22,
24, Lordship.
24. Will be on 18-2. Okay,
Abdullah Lordship.
yes.
May I please your lordship, madam? Lordship, with the consent from other side, I beg to mention item number 32, lordship. The matter may be adjourned for 2 weeks, lordship.
Why do you?
Yesterday, I have already given the adjournment letter yesterday.
You are for the petitioner
Yes, lordship.
on the prayer made by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner and not objected to by the other side. Matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks and will be listed again on so and so.
Much obliged.
Yes,
May it please myself. Prayer for listing of a admission matter, my lord. It pertains to pension.
that may go to the registry. Okay, make the request there.
May it please your lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 3 to 7, your lordship. Analogous matters, your lordship.
Yes.
In this matter, the arguing counsel, due to some personal difficulties, unable to appear before this court today.
Who is our late counsel?
Tonoj Chakraborty, your lordship.
E. Chakraborty.
Yes, your lordship.
He's there in all the cases.
Yes, your lordship. Analogous matters. In item number 3, we are for the petitioners. I'll give the list to the court master, your lordship.
No, but the name doesn't appear in other cases.
In the review, it is there, your lordship. He has newly appeared, your lordship.
Review is there, no doubt, but Acha is newly engaged.
Yes, your lordship.
And what about item 4, 5, 6?
4, 5, 6. In 3, I am for the petitioner. In 4, I am for the respondent number 5. In 6, I am for the petitioner. In review, I am for the respondent number 1. I'll give the list, your lordship.
Oh, this way or that way is engaged.
Yes.
What is the difficulty?
He's going to attend his sister's marriage ceremony, your lordship.
Who's for the other side? Have you informed?
I have informed your lordship.
Okay, Mr. T. Chakraborty, Learned Counsel for the petitioner and also for the respondent in some of the cases. He said to have some personal difficulty to conduct the case today. And on a prayer made on his behalf and not objected to by the other side, the matter will be listed again on so and so.
Deeply obliged, your lordship. Please, your lordship.
Just a minute. 27-1 you said, okay. Yes, any more mention?
Lordship, I have a prayer for mention and admission on 6th of February. Lordship.
Admission, you please inform the registrar. You take it up, okay?
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item 2, lordship, motion matter, lordship.
Motion matter, why?
Your lordship, today I am going to file additional affidavit, lordship. I am ready for file.
Permission given to you.
Yes, lordship.
Permission was given to you to file
Yes.
additional affidavit.
Yes, lordship.
Mr. N. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he will be filing the additional affidavit during the course of the day as was permitted by the court. In view of above and as paid for, list again when 31,
May I please it your lordship.
Obliged, lordship.
Right.
Lordship regarding item number 19,
19. Yes,
we have ready to file our affidavit.
Huh?
Lordship,
sorry.
we have ready to file our affidavit by today itself. So we would like to adjourn the matter to today.
You are for which party?
Got University Lordship,
You are appearing for which side?
Got University, respondent side.
Guwahati University. Okay, have you informed the other side?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Lordship,
Any objection?
petitioner, Lordship, the date may be fixed for 28, 29, Lordship.
I don't know. Let's see. We'll ask the
Possible kind.
the standing counsel for the Guwahati University submits that he'll be filing the counter affidavit during the course of the day. In view of above and as paid for, let the matter be listed again on so and so. 29.
Obliged.
Wait.
Let me, I beg to mention item 12, this list
12.
12. And for the petitioner and the respondent have filed an affidavit. I'll like to file a reply to this.
Okay, Mr. D.P. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioners, submits that he may be given some time to file a rejoinder affidavit against the affidavit of position filed by the respondents. The prayer is allowed. List again after on so and so. List again on 22.
May I please your lordship? I'm praying on behalf of KDB. We have filed one writ petition yesterday, your lordship. So kindly list the matter next week because the matter is urgent. The petitioners, they are going to terminate in the month of February 1st week.
Terminated from what? What post?
They are working under grade 3 and grade 4, your lordship.
You have the filing number, know
Yes,
that.
Your lordship, I have the filing.
What is the convenient date? 28. Okay, 28.
Yes, I beg to mention for listing a contempt case. Case number
It's a new
37.
case.
Huh?
New case,
No.
old case.
Okay.
You approach the registry for that listing of contempt. Okay.
Sir, can you give me a date?
No, registry will give you a date. You approach them that there's a registrar there.
Okay.
You write there and they'll give you a date. Yes.
Item number 8.
Item 8. Yes.
For many years now, the petitioner has not contacted. I think his grievances is redressed. So we have also lost contact with him.
Then,
Sometime maybe given, we'll circulate a letter.
okay, Mr. B.P. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he is not in contact with his client for a long time and prays for some time to receive up-to-date instructions in the matter. Media of above, list again on so and so. The benefit.
For withdrawal, item 35 of the supplementary list.
My please your lordship. Petitioner has got a relief lordship, so he may be want to withdraw.
What is your good name?
Peace, Horia.
Ms. P. Saharia, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner has got the relief and therefore she may be permitted to withdraw the requisition. Why there is no name?
Lordship, initially there are 4 petitioners and 3 of them were struck off. And only this petitioner is left out.
No, in the cost list, no name is there. Only access is there. Why?
Maybe due to struck off also. The petitioner number 1 was also struck off.
All of them struck off.
Yes, only 2, petitioner number 2 is.
All of them struck off, then who is withdrawing?
Now petitioner number 2, Lordship, Binod Chetri.
Who is remaining?
Yes, Lordship.
You are there, Mr. H. Aliya, learned counsel appears for the
Department. For the health department, yeah.
health department.
Yes, Lordship.
You are also the standing counsel for health.
Yes, Lordship.
I see. Appears for the health department while Ms. Mr. S. Bhuya, learned counsel appears for the Higher Education Department. And Ms. P. Kashyap, learned counsel for BTC. In view of above, the writ petition stands disposed of. As instructors,
So I also dispose of.
in view of the order passed in the main writ petition, I also stands disposed of.
All right.
Dated is item one promotion. Met, please, your lordship. Matter relates to compassionate appointment, lordship. Earlier, they have taken time for instruction, lordship.
Yes, what kind of instructions required?
Whether DLC has recommended the petitioner or not, lordship. That clarification is required, lordship. DLC page 29, lordship. Relevant page 30, lordship.
No, DLC is recommended.
Yes,
Now, question is whether SLC is considered or not.
that was pending, lordship. And in the meantime, lordship, petitioner has submitted the required particulars, lordship, on 11/9, lordship.
Yes, Ms. Burman was there last time. D.D. Burman.
As per notice, lordship.
What is the date?
11/9, seal my law,
It's not legible.
11/9.
How do you see this? You have the original copy.
Original copy, yes, lordship.
11 is legible, but 9 is not legible.
11,
So how do you say this is 11/9?
11/9, yes. Last date is 15/9, lordship. Before last date, he has submitted.
It could be very well 11/10, 11/11 or 11/12 also. We don't know. How do you say it's 11/9? Because it's not legible.
Lordship, matter may be taken up some other day. I will produce the original
As paid for by
legible
Mr.
copy, lordship.
N. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner, Marcus Tanzania, to enable him produce the original copy of the letters said to have been submitted on 11/9/2025. Since the copy supplied today is not legible. List again on so and so.
Lordship. Obliged, lordship.
For orders, item 22.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, pursuant to the last order, your lordship, the respondent authorities is supposed to file their compliance report, lordship. Lordship, what has happened, lordship? There were three directions. If your lordship peruses the judgment and order dated 19/10/2023, it's of 2023, your lordship. At page number 12, your lordship, it starts, and the relevant portion, your lordship, will find at page number 38, your lordship. Lordship, para number 40, if I may read, your lordship.
Yes.
In view of such discussion as held above, the impugned order dated so and so is interfered with and set aside. The department may proceed with the inquiry on the basis of the show cause notice if they are unsatisfied with the replies given by the petitioner through his show cause notice. In such an event, the department will have to initiate departmental proceeding as per the procedure prescribed under the rules of so and so and pass such order as deemed fit and proper. In view of the interference of the impugned or termination order dated so and so, the petitioner will be entitled to be reinstated in his post as bearer Mali under the LCB Maligaon. Insofar as the arrear pay and back wages are concerned, the petitioner is entitled to back wages and arrear pay till the date of his termination. The inquiry proceeded against the petitioner by department shall be completed within 3 months. Lordship, they have not proceeded with. They have closed the entire thing, your lordship. This is also there by the director, your lordship. Respondent number 2 at page number 42. Speaking order, your lordship. At page number 42, lordship, what has happened, lordship? Out of these 3 reliefs, I have been reinstated, lordship. Now I am drawing my regular salary, but so far as the arrear pay is concerned, your lordship, at para number 42, the direction was there. Lordship, they have not paid me till date, your lordship. This is 2023. The petition was of, the judgment was of 19/10/2023, your lordship, and in spite of several orders from this honorable court in the last order also, it is reflected that to submit the compliance report, your lordship.
Area wages will be from which period? To which period?
Lordship, the area is from yes. Lordship, it is reflected in the order dated, yes. It is reflected in the subsequent, in earlier order dated, your lordship, the area pay. Yes, your lordship, at order dated 9/6/2025, your lordship will find. Order dated 9/6/25, your lordship.
It says from December 2009
Yes, your
till
lordship.
date.
December 2009 till the date of termination, that is 2017, your lordship.
What is the specific date?
The specific date is 3/10/2017. From 2009 December, 3/10. Lordship, they have also submitted the area statement, lordship. 18 lakh something, lordship, it is a part of record, your lordship.
Where?
Area statement, lordship, it is part of record. I have checked the file, your lordship. Area statements are 18
Part of
18
record
lakhs,
means where in the, where is the record?
41,776, lordship.
Where in the record?
Lordship, it is tagged with the case record. Lordship, I've just checked.
It's a loose sheet.
Yes, sir, it's a note, lordship, 18, it's a column table, your lordship. 18 lakhs 41,776, your lordship.
I have not seen that. You see, where do we get in the record?
If your lordship,
I have extra copy, my lord.
lordship, my learned friend has extra copy of the area statement, your lordship.
No, you say that it's already in the record.
Yes,
It
sir,
should be
it's a
here.
part of record. No, lordship, it is not the part of record of the contempt petition, but my learned friend has submitted
Submitted
before this
article.
honorable court, and that was kept on
Submitted,
record, your lordship.
That is why,
is not a-
when it is kept on record, that is what I'm searching.
So you just take this one, my lord.
Just a minute, just a minute. Let me see. See the second copy? And there's no second copy.
It is not annexed to the contempt petition, lordship.
I understand.
If your lordship, I just. It was there. Lordship, it's a vertical page, your lordship. Table.
So perhaps it's not here.
Video.
Give me that extra copy.
Lordship, this is the extra. Lordship, the figure, exact figure is 18 lakhs 41,776. 1841,776, your lordship.
So that is the only thing which is remaining.
Yes, only this is the only thing.
What
We
is
have
it?
already submitted this, my lord. Now it is director is to do all these things, my lord. I have submitted, I am the college authority, my lord.
Okay.
From the college, we have submitted our area statement, my lord.
And director has,
Yes, yes.
you're there for the director.
Malad, it is under process, Malad. As my learned friend is submitted, Malad, he is already getting the current salary. Now the regarding Malad, this area salary.
Nobody's talking about current salary. We are talking about area
What I think,
salary.
Malad,
So don't divert.
No, regarding.
Just
Malad-
submit on the area
Yes, yes,
salary.
yes.
That's all.
Regarding area salary, Malad, his departmental proceeding is going on. As per the direction of this honorable court, departmental proceeding was initiated, Malad, and it was going on. Now, Malad, this area salary, that can be concluded once this departmental proceeding will be completed, because if in the disciplinary proceeding, he is penalized, then it has to be deducted from that amount only, Malad. So, Malad,
No.
as I have.
Mr. Das, then you will be violating paragraph 41 of the order. Come to page 39.
Lordship, so far my
Just a minute, just a minute.
departmental proceeding is closed, your lordship.
No.
Page number 42 and 43.
I have speak.
Come to page 39.
Spoken to the authority yesterday on also.
Please read 39. Just one line.
Para 41.
Read
Para 41.
41.
Insofar as the area pay and back wages are concerned, the petitioner is entitled to back wages and area paid till the date of his termination. Yes, my lord.
Then
He
the
is entitled, my lord.
Then
Now the thing is, how much he is entitled, because departmental proceeding is going on. In department, he was unauthorizedly absent, my lord. That was the actually contention. Now, in the departmental proceeding, if he is penalized, then it has to be deducted from or calculated from that period, my lord. That's
Lordship,
why this process, my lord. My lord, yesterday I have spoken to the authority, my lord. They are seeking 2 weeks time in 2 weeks time, my lord. They are saying that this departmental proceeding will be completed.
No, then why there is some conflict? You say department proceeding is going on, he says it's already
Lordship,
closed.
42, Lordship, the inquiry, if proceeded against the petitioner by the department, shall be completed within a period of 3 months from this judgment. Lord, it's long back 2023. Now it's 3 years down the line, Your Lordship.
You said that there is no
Yeah, Lord.
department proceeding.
Yes, page 41 and 42, Lordship, the director has taken a call and it is disposed of, Your
Not
Lordship.
page, it's paragraph.
No, Lordship, the
It's-
speaking order of the director, Lordship, they have closed the
Where?
proceeding.
Where?
Page 41 and 42 and 43, Your Lordship. Annexure 4, speaking order. Page 43, Your Lordship. Thus, if I may read, Lordship, thus in compliance to the Honorable High Court order, the undersigned hereby has issued the speaking order for reinstatement of Suresh Das in his post of BRR Mali with immediate effect on receipt of the speaking order along with the entitlement of his pay and allowances till the date of his termination. Hence, the matter is hereby disposed of. Lordship, director has disposed of the matter.
That is not the issue. Lord.
And
is that-
if departmental proceeding is to be, Lordship, that was strictly directed to be completed within 3 months from the date of judgment. That is 1910.
Let us get the facts straight.
Yes, sir.
You have been directed to be reinstated,
Yes, Lordship.
but the respondent authorities have not been precluded to proceed against you in the department proceeding. Hence, the observation at paragraph 42, which says that if inquiries proceed against the petitioner, it should be completed within 3 months.
Yes.
Mr. Das says inquiry is still going on.
Yes, Lordship, but it was directed to be,
Okay. And
Completed
paragraph
within 3
42
months.
doesn't say that there'll be no further inquiry. It says it can be.
closed.
It may not have been closed within 3 months. Hence this contempt petition.
No,
Mr.
Lordship.
Das, have you filed any show cause reply?
No, my lord.
Why?
Because after.
Shouldn't you file?
Uh,
Shouldn't you file? Because every time you produce some loose paper,
that was.
today also we are searching for this paper, it's not there. So you should file an affidavit.
Kindly give me 2 weeks time, my lord, in the
2
meantime,
weeks time for what?
for filing or my lord, because yesterday also I have spoken to the authority. They are saying that within 2 weeks, this departmental proceeding will be completed, and by then they can conclude whether he will be penalized or
Please
not.
write. The counsels for the rival parties are not in agreement with regard to the departmental proceeding drawn against the petitioner. Stop. While the counsel for the petitioner submits that no department proceeding is pending against the petitioner, comma, Mr. S. Das, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number
1 month.
1,
Yes.
submits that the department proceeding is yet to conclude. Top, another aspect of the matter is non-payment of area salary of the petitioner from the month of December 2009 to 3/10/2017, which has been calculated by the college authorities, bracket respondent number 2, to the tune of rupees 1841,776. Stop. Therefore, according to the college authorities, it is for the director to sanction the said amount to the petitioner. Stop. Mr. S. Das, learned counsel for the respondent number 1, submits that he requires 2 weeks time to get the up-to-date status. Stop. The prayer is allowed, subject to the respondent number 1 filing a concise and precise show cause reply indicating all the facts and figures by the next day. List again on so and so. Please file the affidavit
Yes, yes, ma'am.
so that we know what is what. Next. And please take back this one. You can produce next time again. Otherwise, you'll get misplaced. Yes, madam.
Lordship has said it was a suspension issue. And I had filed this case to carry the department proceedings or either to quash it. So this suspension was actually served when Lordship, the first show cause was served to me at night. 8:15 PM without any paper, so I didn't reply to that. And again, they served me with the same show cause without any paper. no reason, they didn't quote anything and all, but they only sent a show cause. So I replied to them, this one first show cause, this page 63, 64, to kindly specify and to provide the documents and all, but they didn't provide that. The next step which they did was they directly suspended me. And in that suspension order also, they didn't provide any that documents of allegation, just suspension order. And
Okay, last time the reply was not there. Now reply has been has been connected to the record. So far as pleading is concerned, is complete, isn't it?
yes, sir.
Pleading is complete. You are the petitioner in person and you are for the PTC. This is Kabiang. Okay. So all of you are ready for hearing?
We have filed the affidavit, my lord, case. It can
Who
be
else?
taken up for disposal, my lord, and
Who else is a party here apart from Karbi Anglong?
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is the party, my lord, who
Okay.
issued the suspension order and departmental proceeding was initiated.
And principal? Principal? Higher education. Have you filed affidavit?
Everything from this, my lord.
Not, you have not filed affidavit. Not required.
Yes, yes.
You will support the Karbi Anglong the affidavit. And principal is not required?
Not required.
Principal not required. Notice is complete?
But this is-
Just a minute. Principal is respondent number 5.
Five, my lord.
Notice is served?
I'm not appealing for the principal, my lord.
Yes, but notice is served or not? That much I want to know. Yes, it has been served. As per the Lawazima court's order. Then, any court order. This is 3425. 3425.
Okay, lordship will look into the prior of the petition.
We'll look into that.
Ma'am.
Just a minute. Hmm. Uh, Five. Okay. So can we hear the matter today?
Yes, Lordship.
Can we hear the matter today? You are ready?
Lordship will look into the prior of the petition.
I'll look into it.
Yes, ma'am.
Please answer my question. Are you
Ma'am.
ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
You're ready. Okay.
Lordship, I have few issues related with this. I don't know much about the court proceedings and all. If
Then
I'm-
why are you appearing in
No,
person?
no, Lordship, actually, it means, I have all the papers and documents and all, but Lordship, means few days, my accounts also were hacked. I went to SP office also, they said they will register my case. They took my phone, they scanned everything, but they didn't register the case. So all these issues are also going on.
No, first thing first. You have filed a case,
Yes,
correct?
yes.
Earlier you engaged your counsels,
Mhm.
but later on you have withdrawn your counsels. You have preferred to appear in person.
Yes.
Are you ready to argue
Yes,
in
yes,
person?
Yes, yes.
You're ready to
Lordship,
argue.
Yes.
So what is your case? Tell me.
Now, Lordship, as said, means, firstly, as said, the first show cause which was given to me.
No, can you start from the beginning? Who are you and why have you filed this case?
Lordship, I'm Dr. Harvin Tikatharpi.
Working as what?
I'm working as an assistant professor in Rukasen College, Karbi Anglong.
Assistant
Professor,
professor?
Rukasen College.
What
In the
college?
Department of History, Rukasen, Rukasen. Rukasen, Rukasen College, Bokolia, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Okay. Then,
Lordship, means I did my doctorate degree on 6th schedule on Karbi Anglong, and that only has started the issues. This is the reason why even after 3 years, they are not coming for the department proceedings.
so the issues regarding your doctorate
Yeah,
degree,
my doctorate degree, Lordship, because I received my.
they are questioning your doctorate degree.
No, not questioning doctorate degree, Lordship. 2019 December, I got a doctorate degree. Then from 2020, I was invited to several places for lectures and all. So when I started lecturing on land policies and all, then my problem started creating from then. So this PhD itself is a problem for me now. Because the land policies and everything comes under my PhD thesis. On 20 bigha, they can allot Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Beyond that, they cannot allot all those stuff. As per the governor order, constitution and all, I started lecturing. I was invited to many places. And from there, I was started like, so in 2023, in one such occasion, and there was also one other side, Lordship. There was a town beautification scheme in Diffu. So the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, without any notice, they encroach our land. It's a prime project like a fancy bazaar market. It is in my mom's name, but the power of attorney is in my name. So
Our land is your private land.
a private landlordship without any, like just like a fancy market. So I took an appointment from the CM for that land compensation. He gave me the appointment. Just that notice was served to me 2 days before that meeting. And in the first show course, it was served to me at night, 8:15 p.m. Lordship. At night, I stay in a rented home all alone. So a group of boys, they came to me, serving their notice to me at
Okay,
night.
just a minute. I think we will see your prayer portion. Please read your prayer portion. Page 18. Just to understand your grievance. Page 18.
Page 18. To quash and set aside the so-called notice dated 24/3/2023 and 4/4/2023 for being without jurisdiction, vague and against the principles of natural justice. Lordship, this I have challenged, but the main thing behind was that one. That's why the so-called was served to me that. And that first so-called served to me, it was without any documents of authentication as the
So,
Rule 9 of Assam Service.
Madam, see, this is the thing. Because you are a PhD, no doubt.
Yes.
Highly educated. But as far as law is concerned, the law of pleadings, rules of pleadings, there are certain procedures. All right. For that, you may not know many things. So at this stage, I've asked you to read the prayer portion. You just complete the prayer, reading the entire prayer, then you can start your submission. First, you read the prayer complete in the complete thing.
To pause and set aside the impugned so-called notice dated 24/3/2023 and 4/4/2023 for being without jurisdiction, weak and against the principle of natural justice.
Yes.
To quash and set aside the the order dated 5/1/2024 for being without jurisdiction, arbitrary and malified for keeping the disciplinary proceedings pending against the petitioner inordinately. To pause and set aside the entire proceedings against the petitioner for being without jurisdiction, vitiated by inexplicable delay, vague and ambiguous charges which are prejudicial to the petitioner, or after return of the rule and hearing of the parties being further pleased to make the rule absolute, giving full and complete relief to the petitioner and or to pass such order or orders as the honorable court may deemed fit in the fact and the circumstances of the case.
Okay. So earlier you had come before this court.
Yes,
This is your second writ petition.
yes.
Now please come to page 32. What was the earlier writ petition about? Suspension.
Yes, Lordship David, it was,
Please read paragraph 2, page 33. It's a short order. Let us try to understand.
an order dated 3/7/2023 of the Additional Director of Education, KC Diffu, is assigned in this writ petition whereby the petitioner, Dr. Harvey Intikatharpi, Assistant Professor and HOD, Department of History at Rukasen College, Bakalia, Karbi Anglong, was placed under suspension pending drawal of department proceedings for violation Rule 3 and 7 of the Assam Service Conduct Rules 1965. The order of suspension was issued on two grounds. Firstly, that the additional director of education, KECC, did not have the jurisdiction to issue the suspension order, inasmuch as college education is not a transferred subject. And the second ground urged upon it is as propounded by Honorable Supreme Court, paragraph 21 of Ajay Kumar Chaudhary versus Union of India, reported 2057 SCC 291. There is a requirement of the charge memo to be issued within a period of 3 months from the date of suspension, or in the alternative, the authorities to conduct a review regarding continuations of the suspension. And as regard the first ground, by the order dated Iman, we have already arrived at a conclusion that college education is also a transferred subject to the KEC, and accordingly, we cannot conclude that the additional director of education, KECC, did not have the jurisdiction to pass the order of suspension. But as regard the other ground, we require the respondent in KECC to provide information as to whether the charge memo have been served on the petitioner after the order of suspension.
Yes,
as-
madam, I've read it, I've understood.
Mhm.
Now, this writ petition was disposed of later on by order dated 5/1/24. At page 37. So it was dismissed as infructuous because you are mainly against that suspension. You have been reinstated now, but
Mhm.
they have not been precluded from drawing departmental proceeding, correct?
Yes, sir.
So what is the stage now?
Stage in a sense, Lordship, it was on dated 5/1/2024. That is what I have challenged here. I have requested.
5/1. What
for-
is that
yes,
5/1?
Dated 5/1/2024, they withdraw the case, but they kept the department proceedings. They
That
kept the,
liberty,
dep-
no, that
yes.
liberty was there, I think.
yes, Lordship, I'm not against the department proceedings, but the thing is that I have waited for 7 months after that. They didn't come for the department proceedings. Then I filed this very case now, that's ongoing case to carry the department proceedings. Then also they didn't came. It was after the last warning given by this honorable court on September 10th. where-
September 10.
September 10th. The September 10th, there was no any such order. The proceeding was going on. I was watching from home. So on 10th, they ordered all the other what to say, respondents to give a reply.
No, September 10 of which year?
2025, Lordship.
25.
2025, they
But
give. I was
2025, there was no case pending.
no, Lordship.
Oh,
no.
okay. This
They,
case
they
was,
just they just ordered. The court said that you just submit your affidavit. I am disposing of the case in the next hearing.
okay.
So that one,
September 2025 means this case.
this case, Lordship.
But in this case, what have you challenged? You have challenged the show cause notice?
Lordship,
Two
it's
show cause
already-
notice.
It's already 3 years, and as per that order, within 3 months, firstly, is, Lordship, the what to say, the rule which they have applied, Assam Service Rule 1964, Rule 9 2.1, it is clearly written that they need to provide me with the documents of allegation. For 2 years, 7 months, I didn't know for what reason I was suspended for and why they withdraw. There was no mention of the causes of withdrawal. I didn't receive any documents, Lordship. Just the so-called termination, this one suspension order. There was no,
Have you submitted a reply?
yes, Lordship.
Where's your reply?
Lordship, the first
An extra
so-called,
four.
24/3/2023, that I didn't reply because that was without, I knew that was already, they have already violated the rules because no documents, nothing. And that was served to me at night.
No, 24/3 you have replied.
Yeah, 24/3/2023 and 4/4/2023. Since I didn't reply because that was served to me at night without any documents, I asked the council to give all the documents. So they again served me so-called on 4/4/2023, that too without any documents, Lordship. The same so-called without any documents. So to it, I replied that on 6/4/2024, page 63-64, Lordship. That was the first reply of mine, page 63-64, where I have said.
Okay, what is this, in page 25? In persons to KA's letter dated 24/3/23, you are hereby show cause in connection with the derogatory remarks made by you on the social media platform Facebook. So this letter, where is this letter? What is this letter?
Which one, Lordship?
At page 25,
Which-
annexure 2. The first paragraph of the letter. In pursuance to letter of KASE, number dated 24/3/2023.
24/3/2023, Lordship, my reply is in page 60
No.
to 64.
Not reply.
The show cause.
This 24/3/23, what is this?
Lordship, they just said you made a derogatory remarks against Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. So why should not you be suspended? You made a derogatory remarks on Facebook. So
Correct.
nothing was
That-
mentioned there.
That I've seen, but
Ah.
there is a reference about some letter.
No, nothing. Just one page of paper they sent to me.
You're not aware about this 24/3/23.
Same, Lordship, that 24/3/2023 and 4/4/23/23, they just send one paper. That is a so cause why you should not be suspended. There was no documents of allegation, nothing. Even I was, it was completely in dark till 2025, that was October month. I didn't know for what reason they suspended for. I didn't know why they withdraw the case. No documents, nothing, Lordship, which is complete violation of Rule 9 of Assam Service Rule 1964, which they have applied. So on 10th, on October, again, October 2025, for the first time, they gave me that documents of allegation, that too without any authentication, Lordship. Without any authentication. And
So as on today, what is the stage? You have
N-
given your reply, then thereafter?
nothing, Lordship, the same status like 2023 only. 2023
Okay,
only.
let me ask the learned standing counsel.
Lordship, the petitioner.
no,
in
first-
part-
First of all, you tell me, what is this letter at
My-
page?
my lord, in my submission, the case has become infructuous, my lord. Lordship, they look into my affidavit and that our so-called dated, my lord, 9/10/2025, page 44. These were the earlier so-called notice. We have issued a so-called notice on 9/10/2025,
Where is that?
page
Page?
44. Our affidavit of position, my lord.
Uh-huh.
That is the so-called notice, my lord.
When was it issued? 9/10/2025.
9/10/2025.
5 so cause it total.
This is
This is the, my lord.
annexed
final
in the affidavit of position.
No, not final, not final, not final. Final so cause, oh.
Madam, please take a seat. Let me ask, because you'll have to argue as per your own turn.
This is the 9/10/2025, so-called notice. And the
Yes,
statement of allegation is at page 45.
45.
And the prior of the petitioner of the earlier so-called notice, my lord, not this one. Of 2023 and 2023.
No, this was issued in supersession of the earlier so-called.
My lord,
Where does it say so?
my lord, so with reference to the so-called notice issued to you by this office on earlier occasion, including before and after your suspension, and with further reference to your written replies dated so and so, it has been duly considered for your explanation are not satisfactory and fails to absolve you of the charges. Therefore, in consideration of the matter, you are hereby directed to so called under Rule 9 of the Assam Service Discipline and Appeal Rules 1964, read with Article 311 of the Constitution of India as to why any of the penalties prescribed under Rule 7 of the aforesaid rule should not be inflicted upon you on the basis of the charges framed in the statement of allegation attached herewith. It has been found that while serving as assistant professor at Rukajan College, you made derogatory and disparaging remarks against the honorable elected representative of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council on social media platforms. You have failed to maintain absolute integrity and devotion to duty. Such conduct constitutes gross misconduct and is violation of the following provisions of the Rule 3 of the Assam Civil Service Conduct Rule 1965. You
Okay.
are required to submit your final written statement in defense within 15 days from the date of receipt of this communication. However, if you intend to inspect the document relied upon, you must intimate the undersigned within 7 days of receipt of this communication. In such a case, you shall submit your written statement within 15 days from the date of completion of the inspection.
Okay, thereafter
Then the
what happened?
petitioner, my lord, submitted the reply.
Where is that?
They have filed in the affidavit in reply,
In the reply.
my lord. And in the repetition, all of the, my lord, earlier occasion, my lord, this was not challenged. That is in the, my lord,
Page,
handwritten copy is at page 96, typed copy at page 90, my lord. Lords may look into the reply,
page 90.
page 90, annexure 9.
Okay. This has a reference to the
My lord, so called that is 9/10/2025.
9/10.
9/10, my lord.
Okay. Yes,
Reply to so called notice dated 9/10/2025. Lordship will look into the reply.
yes.
It is to inform your office that I have nothing to write new, as you have sent me the above so called notice dated so and so by merely changing the date and by providing a few papers based in your allegation. Your office has nothing other than serving copies of so called steel date and it is already so and so, but still your office has failed to submit proper so calls as you did not follow any rules in this process. My reply is still same and only have few questions. Have a few questions to your office and CAC. That is the reply, my lord. As my reply will never satisfy you and CAC in specific. Kindly authenticate documents so and so made by it is already 2.5 years. Next, my lord.
Okay. Then,
I again wish a question. The additional director that can a state government be terminated, removed or dismissed by district council?
all right,
As
you
my
don't
lord.
have to read anything, that's
My
quite
lord.
lengthy.
My lord,
Then after receiving this, what have you done?
my lord, after receiving my lord, departmental proceeding is required to be completed. At this stage, my lord, lordship may dispose of the petition with a direction to complete the departmental proceeding within a specified period.
No, that will be there.
It is
no doubt.
pending, my lord. Departmental proceeding is pending. That particular departmental proceeding is
No,
pending.
What is your instruction
My
after
lord,
this?
in that, what is the instruction, my lord? We have
After
not
receipt
taken the
of this
additional
reply?
Reply, my lord.
After receipt of this reply,
My
what,
lord, I have not taken the instruction on that, my lord.
because this reply is dated October 25.
October
Last year.
25, my lord.
So as on today, what is happening?
We have received it on 9/1/2026, my lord, reply.
Lordship, in the last one, they served me with few copies. And they didn't authenticate anything and it is going to be 3 years.
The-
How can I
The
believe?
charges should be proved or not, my lord.
Yes.
It is in the departmental proceeding, my lord. Petitioner submit the reply and departmental proceeding is required to be completed, my lord. That is the, my lord, procedure, my lord.
Lordship, it's already 3 years and I'm going to challenge for the principal post. It is by this 27th of this month. What were the council doing from the past 3 years? And I filed this very case in the year 2024, August month. This is 2026. And the principal is retiring by 27th of January 2026, Lordship. And they will never come, Lordship. The main reason I didn't want to show all this as a government employee, but I want to finish this. They will never come, Lordship. They'll take the date and they will continue postponing it for another 1-2 year till the election. Lordship, this is a few documents of central government and state government. Based on this is I did my PhD on 6th schedule and customary law. This is the reason why I got into so many problems, and this is the reason why they are not coming to me, and they will never come. I can assure you, Their Lordship.
Madam, see, that is not the subject matter. See, I'll tell you, I know you have many difficulties. There are many difficulties. You may have many. But as of now, what is before the court, that we have to consider. What is before the court is that you have challenged this 24/3/2023 show cause and 4/4/2023. And also the impugn order 5/1/24. Now, these are long gone issue now. In the affidavit of position, they have served you a fresh show cause notice.
It
And
was
which,
2025.
correct, to
Ah.
which you also have submitted your reply. So, in a way, this writ petition has become infructuous. We have to concentrate on the new show cause. All right, this has superseded the old show cause. So either you challenge this show cause notice by filing a fresh writ petition. One option. The second option is we tell them that, okay, you are proceeding with the department proceedings and please complete it as expeditious as possible and preferably within a time frame. That we
Lordship,
can do.
Lordship, one thing, I'm not against the department proceedings as I have filed this case for the department proceedings alone. But the thing is that whatever documents they have submitted to this court, the same thing only they will be bringing in the department proceedings.
So you counter that in the proceedings, tell them that this is not true, this is not correct, I deny this, all that, and they will take a call. And when they finalize the thing, and if you are still unhappy, you can come back to the court and saying that what they have done is wrong. As of now, they have every right to proceed against you based on certain allegation.
But
And
lordship,
you have every right to defend yourself.
and lordship, that's, I think as per the Supreme Court verdict, they have to carry that within 3 months. Now it's going to be 3 years. And I'm not against anything, lordship, but the thing is that I am the most contending person to be the principal of that very college, and he's
understand.
retiring by 2027. And the
27.
thing is that they are just.
2027
Yes, no, 2026, this year, now after a week,
or 27th of January of
27th
2026.
January 2026. My right will be hampered. And the thing is that from the first show cause till that one 29/8/2025, they didn't provided me with any papers, lordship, no documents, nothing. And on the last, this one, 9/10/2025, they provided few documents. And the thing, and that very documents also, firstly, it was not authenticated. Secondly, the copy which is submitted to court, they submitted some witness, list of witness, which was not served to me. I got a certified copy from the court, and in that certified copy, there were 3 witness, lordship. 3 witness given. Number 1, it was Sonsing Teron. He's a party worker. Number 2, Arman B. He was my ex-student. I called him personally. Phone number was given. I called him personally. Then said, "Ma'am, I'm your student. So you are the witness. So let me." Did you sign? No, ma'am. I didn't know what case, what witness. I didn't know. And the third witness, that is that Arun Lekhe. Arun Lekhe, he was just he's a CEO of social media channel. So that person only have created that very problem, and their apology letter is also there, lordship, 108 page. So
Anyway, madam, right now we are concerned with the prolonged departmental proceeding. That's all. We'll ask them to complete the same within a short time. That's all we can say. Whatever you have to say, you say before the departmental proceedings, because court cannot go into all those things. What they have said, what you're going to say, those things will be done during the proceedings. And ultimately, some results will come out. We'll look into that if so required, and if you challenge that. But as of now, what we can do is we can close this writ petition and ask them to speed up the matter and take a decision as early as possible. What do you say?
My lord, it can be issued with a direction to complete the departmental proceeding, my lord, in a period of 3 months.
Within 3 months?
3 months, my lord.
that will be too much. That will be too much, lordship. If
No,
3 years gone, as per Supreme
My
Court
lord,
order, they have to complete it within 3
Petitioner
months.
submitted the reply, my lord, that witnesses will be examined. Petitioner is also required to participate, my lord.
How many witnesses are there?
3 witnesses are there.
3 only.
3 only. They will be examined, my lord. And after that, my lord, cross-examination and the procedure is required to be followed, my lord.
All right,
So
we're
there's a
closing the matter.
Minimum time, my lord. Minimum time frame, my lord. 3 months, my lord.
All right,
And regarding
heard the petitioner in person. And also Mr. S. Bhuya,
J. Sutia.
S.J.
No, J. Sutia.
J. Sutia, Learned Standing Council, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, bracket KAAC. And also Mr. S. Bhuya, Learned Standing Council, Higher Education Department. Appearing for respondent numbers 1 and 2.
Lordship, just one reply. If you could shorten that to just 1 month.
That's not possible, madam. But we'll see what can be done. Having regard to the projection made by the petitioner, the writ petition is taken up for disposal at this stage. Stop next, Tara. It may be noted at the outset that the petitioner had earlier approached this court by filing WPC number 5338 of 2023, being aggrieved with the order dated 3/7/2023, passed by the Additional Director of Education, KAAC, Dipu, placing her under suspension pending drawal of departmental proceeding. Stop. During the pendency of the writ petition,
Oh,
the said suspension order had been revoked. And such being the position, the writ petition was disposed of as infructuous by order dated 5/1/2024. Stop the writ petition, however, filed the present writ petition challenging two show cause notices issued to her on 24/3/2023 bracket annexure 2 and on 4/4/2023 bracket annexure 3, as well as the order by which she had been reinstated in service. That is order dated 5/1/2024. Insofar as the observation that was made that she has been reinstated subject to pending withdrawal of departmental proceeding. Next, the learner, the petitioner in person has sought to impress upon the court that she has not been served with any materials in the show cause notice dated 4/4/2023 in order to enable her to, no, not 4/4, 24/3/2023, as well as 4/4/2023, in order to enable her to submit effective reply. Stop. Further, the two show cause notices are in gross violation of the relevant service rules. The relevant disciplinary and what is that? Disciplinary and?
Assam Service Discipline Appeal Rules 1964.
Okay. A violation of Assam
Services.
Services and Disciplinary Appeal Rules
1964.
1964.
Lordship,
Stop. Therefore, the show cause notices has been issued on grounds of other than bona fide. So moreover, more than 2 years have lapsed since the issuance of the show cause notice. And the proceeding has not been completed till date. And for which reason the petitioner is suffering. Stop. She also submits that the principal of the college concerned is due to retire on 27th of January 2026. And she is the contender for the said post, being the senior most professor of the college. So she therefore submits that the respondent authorities may be directed to complete the proceeding without further delay. Yes, you were saying something?
Lordship, that so cause, I didn't receive not only for 24/3/2023 and 4/4/2023. I also didn't receive the so cause for 37/2025 and 29/8/2025. The 4 show cause, I didn't receive any paper. It is only on the last one, 9/10/2025. That is after 2 years, 7 months only I received that documents of allegation. There's a reason why I was praying to quash this matter of lordship. Because there's a violation of Assam Rule 9 which they have applied. You need to serve. In
What was-
2.1, it is
What was-
clearly
what was
stated.
the last slide? You please address the court, don't address the council, okay?
Sorry.
It is not his personal case.
Uh,
He's appearing for the respondent. Yes, it's last one. No, she therefore submits that from there you cut, not required. The petitioner in person also submits that according to the respondent authorities, subsequent show cause notices were issued to her, but she had never received any of those show cause notices. And therefore, the entire proceedings contemplated by the respondents should be set aside. Okay, that much. Next para. Mr. So-and-so, learned standing counsel, KAC, on the other hand, submits that the writ petition has become infructuous in view of the fact that all the show cause notices that were issued to the petitioner earlier has been superseded by the show cause notice issued on 9/10/2025, wherein the grounds for issuing the show cause notice has clearly been stated, and further, statement of allegations have also been clearly provided. Stop referring to the said document. The learned standing counsel submits that the petitioner in fact has been given liberty to inspect the documents that is intended to be relied upon by the respondent authorities. And therefore, it is for the petitioner to decide to participate in the departmental proceeding so that the same can be completed expeditiously. He submits that the petitioner, having received the show cause notice issued on 9/10/2025, has also filed a reply to the show cause notice on 22/10/2025. And the respondent authorities at the moment are in the midst of completing the proceedings. He submits that the same can be only completed after examination and cross-examination of the prosecution witnesses and also the defense witness, if any, which may be produced by the petitioner. Therefore, insofar as the writ petition is concerned, the same may be dismissed as infructuous, while the respondent authorities may be allowed to complete the proceedings. In terms of the show cause notice dated 9/10/2025. Mr. S. Bhuyan, learned counsel for the Higher Education Department, submits that no separate affidavit has been filed by the Higher Education Department, and that he would rely upon the affidavit already filed by the KAAC. Next para, I have carefully considered the submissions made by the learned counsels for the rival parties, and I have perused the materials available on record. As submitted, it is seen that the show cause notice dated 4/4/2023, no, before that, dated 24/3/2023 and 4/4/2023, or any other show cause notice that may have been issued prior to 9/10/2025 has been superseded by the show cause notice dated 9/10/2025. And the same also goes to show that certain allegation has been leveled against the petitioner, and to which the petitioner has also submitted her reply on 22/10/2025. Of such being the position, consider such being the position. Full stop. Huh? Further, this court, right order dated 5/1/2024 had also closed the earlier writ petition filed by the petitioner as infructuous. Stop such being the position. There is no scope at this stage to enter into to adjudicate upon the prayer made by the petitioner in the present writ petition. Stop. However, as already noticed, the show cause notice dated 9/10/2025 had been issued to the petitioner once again, and to which the petitioner had also made a response to the same. So considering the same, this court is of the considered view that consider the same, and also the grievances projected by the petitioner in person, this court is of the considered view that the respondent authorities should expeditiously complete the entire proceedings drawn against the petitioner in terms of the show cause notice dated 9/10/2025 by bringing the same to its logical conclusion. Stop. Since the petitioner has already submitted her reply to the show cause notice, and it is submitted by the learned standing counsel, KAC, that there are how many? Three
Witnesses.
prosecution witnesses to be examined. It is hereby provided that the panel proceeding should be completed as expeditious as possible, and preferably within a period of 3 months from today.
Lordship, 1 month, it's already 3 years gone now. It's 1 month, Lordship, within February, if they could.
They may complete within 2 weeks also, we don't know.
They will not, Lordship, that I know.
I said within 3 months. Within 3 months, maybe 1 month, 2 months also, maybe 2 weeks also, we don't know.
Lordship, if you could cut short that within a month, because 3 years is already
know.
gone.
I understand your anxiety, but the thing is that normally court does not prescribe time frame. But in your case, we are making an exception because it's within their domain to complete the thing expeditiously. Because the factor is that it's not only these respondents, it is also the petitioner who has to cooperate. You may also want to bring somebody as witness. So that's time consuming. Okay, we hope that they'll complete.
Lordship, one last, means still the DP is concluded if that principalship post is like, not.
Not a
filled.
promotional post, my lady. It is by your direct.
You make a prayer.
Will be issued.
That is not a prayer here.
Yeah.
Okay, we cannot travel everywhere, na? It's item number.
May it please your lordship, yesterday we have filed our affidavit, but it is not come on record.
You are appearing for?
Respondent number 128,
Respondent number
128,
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7 and 8.
7 and 8,
Only
9, 10 also. How many respondents are there?
8.
Then why do you say yes? When I said 9, 10 also, you said yes. Counsel for the respondent numbers 1 to 8 submits that counter affidavit was filed yesterday, but the same is not on record. Wish to verify and list the matter again on so and so. By connecting the said affidavit, if filed to the record. 23 to
Mass compliance.
Please order.
yes.
Your non-compliance of this judgment and order, should the operating part, Lordship will find at page 28, Your Lordship. The judgment dated
Why is it listed today for orders?
last occasion, Lordship, my friend appeared and he was sort of, he was,
Today is the second time I am appearing, I need some time, Here, I am the sole respondent, I have provided to.
How many times you have to appear before you get instruction?
True, I have received this instruction today,
Okay, what is the
This
instruction?
has been forwarded to the government,
Show me the order, which order is not compliant.
yes, Your Lordship.
Page,
Page 28, Your Lordship. Page 28. The operating part at para 14. If I may read it here.
yes.
It is further clarified that the petitioner, although have been permitted to count their services from 1999, however, in the background of the facts involved in the matter, the petitioners would not be entitled to salary and oblige or stipend for the period of the initial appointment with effect from 2011-1999 to the date the fresh appointments were effected in their cases on 22/12/2009. The petitioners would be entitled to salary stipend only with effect from the dates they had joined their respective services in pursuance to the order dated 22/12/2009. However, the period from 2011-1999 till passing of the fresh appointment orders dated 22/12/2009 shall be reckoned for the purposes of computing the pension and pensionary benefits of the petitioners.
Okay.
This is my dispute. Petitioners are in service still
This order was passed on.
on 15/12/2023.
Yes.
So maybe
Bora, what is the instruction?
kindly see, last.
Huh?
Last para, After this order,
Which one?
this communication which I have provided.
Yes, what does it say?
Here, this, they have, this director, the sole respondent has forwarded the secretary, Therefore, whole matter was forwarded to the government by letter number. So and so dated 6/9/20, seeking instruction for compliance of the honorable court's order. Here, again, now the government again requested, So I need some time,
This is nothing, Lordship, this does not reflect anything of compliance.
What was the joint director doing
Yes, Your Lord.
This
since 15/12/2023?
because joint director is the in charge director,
Maybe,
Let's see.
but what was he doing?
This has been forwarded to the government,
See,
So,
just answer the question. Your communication dated, the second paragraph says the whole matter was forwarded to the government.
yes,
When?
this is on
When?
6/9/2020.
6/9/2025.
Well,
So between 15/12/2023 and 6/9/2023, what happened? Director is sitting on the matter, sitting over the matter. This is the impression we're getting.
that I come chairman. The letter is reflected.
When was the contempt filed?
Lordship, on 21/6/25.
Huh?
21/6/25.
So only after contempt was filed that files start moving. This is the impression we're getting.
Absolutely, Lordship.
Mr. P.K. Bora, not very good sign. What to do?
Let the director be present, Lordship. Let him explain.
One chance may be given,
That is exactly.
Now
what is
he'll put the blame on the government, saying that secretary is not doing anything. Please write. By filing this contempt petition, the petitioner alleges non-compliance of the court's order dated 15/12/2023, by which the petitioners were, how many petitioners?
Lordship.
More than one?
No, Lordship. There are 14 petitions.
How much?
14, 1-4.
Or petitioners were found to be entitled to salary oblique stipends with effect from the date they have joined their respective services in pursuance to the order dated 22/12/2009. So further, the earlier period were also allowed to be counted towards pensionary benefits. So after the direction was passed, it appears from the instructions received by Mr. P.K. Bora that the director has forwarded the entire matter to the government only on 6/9/2025, after the contempt petition was filed on 21/6/2025. Stop. This appears to show that the director has not been taking proper steps in terms of the court's direction, in absence of any material to show that either an appeal or review has been filed by the department. So by producing the communication dated 21/2026, written by the Joint Director, Elementary Education, to the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam, Department of School Education, Mr. P.K. Bora submits that he has been instructed to seek further time Stop. Next para, as already stated herein above, this court has noticed that there has been some delay on the part of the director of elementary education to take necessary steps. But having regard to the submission made by Mr. P.K. Bora, this court grants. How much time should we require? After 2 weeks, it doesn't happen, then director will come here.
That may be recorded.
Hmm?
That may be recorded.
You don't give the thing push to the court.
Yes,
We know what to do.
yes, Lordship.
So gives the the court is inclined to adjourn the matter for 3 weeks, with the understanding that by the next date, the respondents should come with the compliance of the order passed by this court in the connected writ petition. This matter on so and so. The communication dated 21/2026 produced by Mr. P.K. Bora is kept on record and marked as X for identification.
Lordship, can I get a copy of the communication from that?
Ask your friend, give him. Bless. Mr. Bora, please do the needful. In the sense that you instruct your clients.
I'll instruct them.
Obliged.
Next. You are there? Yes, what is your submission?
The Lordship, instruction is awaited. Kindly grant us a time of 4 weeks. We'll file an affidavit.
You are appearing for which respondent?
Respondent number 1.
One.
Yes, sir.
And what about the others? One means Jagdish,
Yes, sir.
Bhaven Diori, number 2. None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Miss, your good name?
P. Kashyap.
P. Kashyap, learned counsel appears for respondent number 1 and prays for how much time?
4 weeks.
Why 4 weeks? 3 weeks time to obtain instructions and to file show cause reply. Prayers allowed. Office note indicates that neither unserved notice nor AD card has returned back from respondent number 2. Await service report. List again on so. Yes.
Lordships, I just have a very small prayer. I pray that this contempt petition be kept pending until the disposal of the writ with appeal, which has been filed against the petitioner, against the order of the single judge.
Stay order. Madam. Stay, the.
Stay order.
Yes. Impugned judgment has been stayed.
What was the direction?
Page number 37, Lordships.
Judgment dated 16/5.
Yes.
16/5. Please write. The parties are represented by the respective counsels. Stop. It is submitted at the bar that the order, which is said to have not been complied with, is under appeal through WA number 416 of 2025. And the appellate court had passed a stay order on 9/1/2026. A copy of the said order has been produced before the court. In view of above, let the matter be listed again. After a month, yes. After a month, pending disposal of the writ appeal, parties are at liberty to make a mention as and when the writ appeal is disposed of.
Much obliged.
May it please your lordship. Well, on the last occasion, your lordship will recall, this is in regard to that PG admission of the medical colleges. After your lordship's order, your lordship will find.
Yes. What has happened now?
Your lordship's order has a positive impact. Your lordship will see the first one, this NEET PG schedule 2025, they have come out with the new schedule. And your lordship will find in the bottom, they have marked it as asterisks. The data of joint candidates will shared by MCC with DMEs and VC, state counseling authorities for weeding out during seat processing of round 3 of state. So earlier they did not do it. Now they are saying that whatever seats means anyone who goes from the state quota to the all India quota, the state quota will be vacant. So that state quota seats which will come vacant due to students going into the all India quota, they said that they will share all the seats which are taken up from the all India quota, and the schedule they have given, your lordship will find the last date of joining is 6th of February 2026 in the second row. In the first page only, second row, your lordship will find last date of joining is 6th February 2026 for the all India quota. Your lordship got it? In the NEET schedule 2025, last date of joining round 3, just below round 3, last date of joining 6 February 2026, and for the state counseling it is 13 February 2026. So if the data are shared by say 7 or 8, so this all the seats which will come vacant after 6, now they will have to include in this as a seat matrix of the state counseling. So I pray, my lord, today your lordship will extend the interim order which was passed earlier and fix the matter on 9th of February, because By that time, all the seats which they will come vacant, that they can include in the seat matrix of this date, which is last date is 13 February 2026. Earlier, what they did, they thought that this 6 February 2026, which is given, they take it that this is the last date on the 7th day commit. But the student that night on 6th, if it is all vacant, then they have to again compile the data and come out with a seat matrix. So this time it is 13 February 2026. If there is some any anomalies or if there is anything, we'll point it out to this honorable court on 9th of February 2026. Still, we will have some days before 13th of February 2026. Our contention is that now they should include all the seats because round two seats which they did not follow this process, they have included in that round 3, which actually should have gone to round 3, but we because of the vacation we could not come before this honorable court. So I humbly pray that your lordship will fix the matter on 9th of February and extend the interim order. And this, I think the state should ensure that all the vacant seats should be included in the third round, because if they don't include in the third round, then it will go into the stray round.
Okay, what about notice to respondent number 5?
We have taken the steps, madam. 9/1/2026, we have taken the steps on that. And others are all represented. This order is passed after your lordship's interim order. This revised schedule it was given only after your lordship's order.
Art Mr. B.D. Conwar, learned senior counsel assisted by Mr. B. Dole for the petitioner who submits that pursuant to the interim order passed by this court on 6/1/2026. A fresh schedule has been published, wherein it has been indicated that the data of joint candidates will be shared by the MCC with DMEs /VC state counseling authorities for weeding out during the seat processing of round 3 of state. Stop. The last date of joining has been provided as 13/2/2026.
And for all India quota, it is 6 February 2026.
Insofar as the state is concerned, and for the all India quota, the date fixed is 6/2/2026. Such being the position, let the matter be listed again on 9th of February 2026. The respondent authorities shall ensure that all the
Vacant seats are included in the state revised matrix of round 3.
Vacant seats from the all India quota.
Yes.
Should be included in this state.
No, not only all India quota, because state quota will also become vacant. If someone from state goes to all India.
The state, that means the state's quota only, not all India.
No, all India quota may also be fall vacant.
Okay.
Not only state, sorry, it may include state. Because
the state's
all
quota
India,
be included
in the revised matrix
in the revised matrix
of third round counseling.
of the third round counseling. The schedule produced by Mr. Conwar is retained in the record and marked as X for identification. What is the second one?
This is the more detailed schedule. Same only, but they have given a more detailed.
Let it be there together.
Yes, madam. And the earlier interim order may be extended, madam. We are obliged.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date. Yes,
We are obliged.
this is item 29. Okay, starting from back to item 3. Please mention. Start from 9. Okay. Just come back. Yes.
Made clear of it. And here in this case, there is a issue of ballot selection and appointment of principal. JB College, Jorhat. The petitioner is more than highly qualified. And he was before that principal of the another college nearby. JB College, Jorhat.
Who's appearing for the other side?
Side there are.
Mr. Das, you're there?
I'm caring for the government, my lord. The private respondent is there, my lord. The dispute between. my lord,
Dispute between whom?
Private
respondents.
12 and petitioner. Petitioner in the R12. Petitioner 12.
R12.
On R12, Mr. Kane Chaudhary was second.
R12.
Yes.
How many private respondents are there? There are 20.
Issue here, my lord, whether he is qualified to be selected to be principal as per the UGC norms 2018. There is a prime issue here. Besides what marks he was illegally in a biased manner given, there is a effort. But whether he was at all qualified to be.
All right, but first thing first, I want to ensure that parties are ready.
My lord,
You are ready for the petitioner, but for the other side,
no, they have been taking time and last time also they took time and matter is bit urgent.
higher education.
Yes.
You are for the higher education.
Yes, my lord.
Have you filed affidavit?
No, my lord. Government is not filing it.
You have not filed.
No.
You're not going to file.
And it was hard number of times, you also can see the order money, it was reserved after complete hearing. But days together, money it was reserved for judgment, my lord. But the honorable judge got transferred to Calcutta High Court. So it remained undelivered.
So it has to be heard again.
It is be hard again, my lord. It was hard.
do not know what was
written
submitted.
Argument was submitted.
It has to be heard again. So
Appearing for 12.
I'm going to state the candidate. Well, you're ready? You're in a road should start. Now, if we start, we'll complete. It's not like part and we'll keep it for some other occasion.
Lordship will give another date in February.
Hmm?
Lordship will give us a date in February, your lordship.
Date in February.
My lord,
Mr. Sharma?
bit early, my lord. If they want to take time, my lord, let it be.
So it's also be serving as the principal of Handy College, lordship, so no one is.
That apart, that is,
What are in power?
that doesn't come in the issue. Because if I succeed in this case, well, it will get another 5 years term. Otherwise, your principal is only 5 years term.
So I have a consensus of a date and so that we can, and any other pleadings are to be filed.
No, it was lordship, otherwise everything is done. Lordship.
That, okay, good.
Only government has not filed the bidding, well, otherwise it is ready.
Good.
It was hard and judgment reserved also. Just a minute.
Tim, any date?
Can it be early? On 10th,
10, 11, 12.
10 is a hearing date, 12 is a hearing date.
17, your lordship.
On 17th. What is the position in 17? 17 matters.
Can you, 12 तारीख न होगा ना? 12, 12.
Have it on 17,
17.
as agreed to by the parties. No, before like this, parties are represented by their respective councils and they submit that the pleadings are complete and the matter may be fixed on a convenient date for admission hearing. This is admission hearing, is it? As
Ready
agreed,
for hearing, yes.
as agreed to by the parties, list the matter on 17th of February for admission hearing.
For hearing, my lord. For final disposal, hearing.
Admission hearing on.
Admission hearing.
Admission hearing.
My lord, attempts shall be made to dispose of, my lord, because it is 22 matter.
On which date an attempt shall be made to dispose of the case final?
Yes, oblige, my lord.
May it please your lordship. Well, this matter relates to payment of salary, current as well as arrears, madam.
Who is appearing for the other side? You are there. Any other respondent?
Finance department.
How many respondents?
We could give down.
My education.
The finance also there.
You are for the secondary.
I'm the secondary, Lordship.
Secondary is 1, 2, 3. 4 is headmaster.
And
5 is treasury officer.
Treasury officer, Lordship. Rule is very limited, but they will be represented by the finance.
So all that parties made is treasury officer, that's all.
Okay.
No secretary or something like that or finance department, treasury officer only.
Direction.
And who has filed affidavit?
Affidavit filed by us, Lordship. Education department.
Secondary.
Secondary.
And respond number 2,
That's not two.
Mamata Hojai,
Mamata Hojai, director.
director. Director is filed,
Director is
not by the secretary.
Not-
Well, yeah, I mean, I think
Then additional affidavit by respondent number 2 again.
Two again, Lordship. Some clarifying, some point, Lordship.
Any reply?
Yes,
reply has been filed.
Reply of filed.
yeah, reply.
Reading has completed.
Reading is completed. So can we hear the matter then?
Yes, Lord. Read petition was
Lordship,
filed by
in
the
this case, what happened, Lordship, to cut short, Lordship. His service was regularized in the year 1996. He drawn salary up to 31st of December 2005. Thereafter, his salary was not paid due to non-creating of GPF account number in respect of the petitioner. Thereafter, GPF number was created from 2012 onwards. Since then, he has been paying Lordship. As per order of this honorable court, he is receiving direct salary also, Lordship. Now, that interim period salary he is claiming in this petition.
Interim is, what is the period?
That period, Lordship,
2006 January
2006 January,
to January
2006.
2000,
yes,
January to
2025.
25.
25,
25. That
December.
is
No, January 25. From February 2025, current salary is being paid. So January 2025 till
January 2006 to January 2025.
Lordship.
yes.
In this respect, Lordship, as per the court order and the initiative of the department also, we have conducted 2 rounds of inquiry regarding the actual service rendered by the petitioner during those periods. We have also checked the attendance register of the concerned school as well as the digital attendance of the petitioner to the school. And we have now compiled a report regarding the service rendering date, actual the service rendering date of the petitioner, and we have now submitted, going to be submitted before the secretary to take a final call in this matter, that what would be the amount entitled by the petitioner during those periods.
Have you taken that stand
Miller,
Yes,
in your affidavit? Where is that? Paragraph?
Now it is.
you repeat, you wrote
Today
it
morning,
kindly.
Lordship, I have also spoke with the concerned officers.
76 page of reply, my lord, is the first affidavit in opposition, man. In complete support of the case of the petitioner, my lord. Page 76, when annexure 14, filed by the respondent, the same respondent. Everything, they ultimately they supported the claim of the petitioner. You
This
lordship-
is, okay,
Yes.
page 78.
76, page 78, 76, annexure 14 of my reply. Of my reply. That is the affidavit.
Your reply,
Yes, my reply.
page 78 is not your reply.
76, my lord, page. Page 76. Annexure 14.
What is this?
No. Reply, start from my lord, sorry, 59. 59. The page of my reply is their affidavit in opposition they filed. And I annexed, annexure 14. 14, my lord. In my reply, I made annexure 14.
You have annexed their affidavit in your
Yes,
reply.
my affidavit in reply, I annexed the affidavit filed by them. My lord.
Where is that statement wherein they support your case?
You lordship may kindly say that page 9, sorry, page 81, paragraph 9, my lord.
This was in the year 2022.
Yes, so the current salary has been paid, but for approval, the area salary, my lord, approval is awaited, my lord. It took time from this honorable court, my lord, near about 1 year for in the name of approval, my lord. Suddenly, my lord, they filed an additional affidavit in opposition. Then I filed this reply, my lord. There is some points, my lord, your lordship may kindly say that petitioner was absent. Then your lordship may kindly see the page, page 95, man. Annex 19. They
So,
the point, my lord, the petitioner was unauthorized absent, my lord. But that was closed, my lord, in the year 2020, 2001,
No,
25 years.
no, tell me, why is this area's salary pending? Why it was not paid?
My lord.
What is the reason behind?
Oh, reason, my lord. Your lordship make a writ petition, my lord, 3150, page 22, my lord. This is the reason, my lord, has been done.
No, can you just not tell me the reason behind without reading the paper?
No, sorry, I'm sorry, my lord. Page 22.
No, why are you claiming salary from 2006 January to 2025 January?
Yes, my lord.
Why that salary is not given to you?
Because there is no any GPF account number in the name of the petitioners. GPF
GPF
account
account.
number was not allotted by the respondent, my lord, in the name of the petitioner, my lord.
So without GPF account, you cannot get any
Yes.
salary.
Correct. So Treasury officer refused to release the, my lord, salary. That is the said that have not been getting a salary for which salary stopped by the treasury officer from because of the GPF account number.
Otherwise, you were appointed on which year?
1994, my lord.
1994.
Yes, lordship.
Appointed as what?
Page 42, Lordship.
1994.
Everything is clear.
Petitioner appointed as
On ad hoc basis, my lord.
as what?
At my lord, Arabic teacher, my lord.
Assistant teacher, Arabic.
Assistant teacher, Arabic, my lord. So now, page,
In what school?
school, my lord, your earlier was, it was,
LP school, ME school or high school or high secondary?
high school.
Huh?
High school.
High school.
Like Laluk High School, Lakhimpur. Thereafter, my lord, she was transferred to PV Alia High School, that is Nalbari. Higher secondary, sorry. Higher secondary school, my lord. I'm sorry. Higher secondary school.
Okay, so
Regularized, my lord, yes, from regularized order was at page 20, 22/12/2009.
22/12/2009.
9. Our service was regularized, my lord. So GPF account number, thereafter, my lord, petitioner approached the authorities, my lord. When they did nothing, then my lord, petitioner approached this honorable court, my lord.
So what about your salary since you joined 1994?
But I have already come, that is paid, my lord.
You are paid.
I have been paid, my lord. Which regular salary has been paid, my lord.
2009 also you are paid.
From
Then why areas start happening from 2006?
the GPF account number is not allotted. They are not available in the name of the petitioner. That's
Earlier you were paid already. Suddenly why they didn't pay you?
due to non-availability of GPF account number. That is the reason, my lord. Page 22. they have
Correct,
said.
that is the reason. But
Right.
you are saying that in 1994 you have been paid salary.
Yes, 2000, that is December 2005, until I have been paid.
Without GPF account, you have been paid.
Yes.
Now, without GPF account, you are not paid from 2006. Why?
Yes, lord.
Why that distinction?
But I don't know, my lord. It's the authority of concern will give the answer.
Mr. PP Datta,
My lord.
in 1994, you did not require GPF account to pay him till 2005.
Lordship. Yes.
Yes.
Then all of a sudden from 2006, without GPF account, you're not giving. Why?
Yes, that was the stand taken in the affidavit in opposition. Lordship. When it was, that objection was raised by the.
And who will give GPF account? Petitioner cannot himself give himself account number. It has
No.
to be given by the authority.
Account cannot do.
One account has to be generated. Lordship.
Correct. Who will generate the account?
Account.
Employee himself cannot generate it his own account.
Yes.
It is the officials who have to generate that. Why it was not done?
Then my lord, petitioner approached this honorable court.
Is there any dispute about his appointment?
No.
Then
There are, in my, let's kindly come to.
why he has to come to the court for getting GPF account number?
Yes, I have come for it. Annexure 6, my lord. That is the first round of litigation, my lord, the petition file, first round of. Then in that order, page 31 of the petition, my lord, there is specific order to allot the GPF account number to the petitioner, my lord. And that was allotted, my lord.
You have come for the second time.
The second time, this second.
Where's the first order?
First order, my lord, page, your lordship may kindly see, 28, my lord. Annexure 6, my lord. Page 31, my lord, in the page, paragraph 7 of the order, my lord, relevant portion of the order, page 31, paragraph 7. Then my GPF account number was allotted annexure 12. And before that, an inquiry was conducted, my lord, annexure 11, page 38.
So after this order, then what happened?
And then GPF account, an inquiry was conducted, my lord, annexure 11, page 38. my lord.
38.
Page 38. my lord. This inquiry, my lord, completely support in the case of the petitioner. It was conducted here 31/7/2020. Page 30.
Inquiry for what?
Inquiry, my lord, actually they conducted the inquiry, my lord. Before the.
No, question is not who conducted. Question
and-
is why it was conducted,
Yes,
for what
my lord, yes.
purpose?
Office of the Response number 2.
That is also not the answer I'm looking for. For what purpose the inquiry was made?
They conducted, my lord, actually as per order, your lordship.
That is not the answer.
Hearing of the.
They
following was
conducted,
called
who
for.
conducted?
31.
Why it was conducted? That is the question.
Petitioner was informed that an inquiry will be conducted, you, by presence is required, my lord. That's a petitioner actually. No, that inquiry report is, my lord, to speak for itself, my lord.
Then after 38, what happened?
Then, my lord, page, next time, page 39, the GPF account number was allowed.
GPF account number opened.
There is 29/2021. 209/2021. Allotted. Thereafter also, my lord, they did not pay the.
What is your number?
That is number, my lord, the PED 294,698.
So by this letter, account number is given to you. Can we have another pen? In case less. Then?
No, no salary has been paid. Thereafter. So that was
GPF, now GPF account is there.
there. So thereafter, there should not be any impediment, my lord, to release the salary. That was the hurdle, my lord.
So now since GPF account has come, my lord, they should have been released. They should have released. They should have released. My lord.
Current salary you're receiving from which date?
February 2025.
So 2006 to 2025 January, you are serving without salary.
Yes, sir.
How you're serving without salary?
Well, you're serving, my lord. Well, they're suffering.
You've got side income,
No, man.
employed elsewhere,
She was continuing her duties, man.
doing business.
No.
Then
There is no. But she was continuing.
without salary, how you're continuing?
Continuing, my lord, it is ultimately somehow, my lord, they have survived, my lord.
Mr. Datta,
Lordship,
what is happening?
it's a very sorry state, Lordship, otherwise, Lordship.
See, this is also education department.
Yes.
Highly educated people are sitting there. And this is the situation.
Lordship, anyway, Lordship, page 53, the extent of the education department. Can we have a look, Lordship?
What is the stand? Tell me without looking into it.
Lordship, may I read, Lordship?
Read,
Page 53, Lordship, my additional affidavit that
please read.
that the petitioner, Zahida Khatun, was initially appointed as assistant teacher on ad hoc basis for a period of 3 months of Laluk SS school under Lakhimpur district by the then inspector of school, Lakhimpur, by order dated so and so. The term of her ad hoc appointment was extended from time to time, and on 29/11/95, her appointment was extended until further order by the then inspector of school. During her ad hoc service period, the petitioner was transferred from Laluk SS school to
No,
PB Alwa
please,
SS
please
school.
stop there. What is the point of reading that? What do you say about page
That
38?
His regulation was,
Page 38.
his regulation was.
No, please come to page 38.
Lordship.
Those are history.
Yes,
Don't dig out the history again.
yes. No, no, pass.
Hearing was conducted and all that. And ultimately they say that
Yes,
she has been regularized
Yes, sir.
by 22/12/2009 with effect from joining.
yes.
So there's no
Actually, the department.
There's no-
dispute-
issue now
Yeah.
questioning about the appointment. Secondly, at page 39,
Hmm.
GPF account number PD 294698 is given.
Lordship.
So you wanted the account number to give the salary.
Yes.
What is stopping you from giving the salary now? Who's stopping the salary? The treasury officer.
Treasury officer.
Who is appearing for treasury officer? Miss RM Barrow.
Lordship, now, Lordship, as that present status of today, Lordship, that I have been receiving communication, that secretary of the department has wrote a letter to the director of secondary education to clarify two things. That to verification of document regarding attendance of the petitioner both in physical and digital mode in the school. And the view of the land senior standing council was also sought for, Lordship.
Huh?
The- One department is now inquiring that actual service standard days of the petitioner in the school during those period. And regarding that releasing of the area salary, that his appointment was disputed by the department. It was his appointment was regularized by the inspector of school without the approval of the higher authority, as per the additional affidavit filed before this honorable court, Lordship. In this, Lordship, complex matter, the view of the senior standing council was also sought for. And also the director of secondary education was asked to verify what was whether the petitioner has actually rendered the service during those period or not. For that, director has conducted one inquiry also, fresh inquiry, and going to submit a report, Lordship, either today or day after to, in a very short delay.
It is very clear, madam, very clear. They are not saying anything about the first inquiry, madam, who is suffering the case of the petitioner.
Who has directed for the first inquiry?
As per that,
Director.
page 38,
Direct-
it is the director.
So what is the purpose of this first inquiry? If you keep on again
Lordship,
asking for inquiry again and again.
Yes, sir.
May I be permitted only one day to clarify all these things before
His
disclosure?
inquiry is already given here, and they
Yes,
say that
page
she has
38.
been working.
But the purpose of inquiry, Lordship, it is not explicit in that order. What is the purpose of inquiry? One letter reference is
No,
there.
you read, as per the order of the director,
Yes,
secondary education, dated so and so,
Lordship.
file number so and so. Following officials, persons were called for on 31/7/2020 in the office chamber of the undersigned in connection with the proposal for opening GPF account of petitioner. Inspector of schools, headmaster of so and so, Mrs. Jahida Khatun. That's the petitioner, is it?
Lordship.
Yes. So conclusion is there.
Yes.
What more do you require? Where is your stand?
And now my stand is page 54. Lordship got it?
Yes, 54 what? Which one?
Page, paragraph 5. Paragraph 4 is the other history, Lordship, not necessary. Paragraph 5. And then the answering deponent beg to state that present matter through examination of the available record, it appears that no record evidence regarding issue of advertisement for initiation of selection process prior to appointment of the writ petitioner Tahida Khatun on ad hoc is found, and therefore it may be assumed that no advertisement was issued and no selection process was initiated prior to appointment of the petitioner on ad hoc basis. The principal in charge, Laluk Higher Secondary School, could not produce any record evidence to justify appointment of a petitioner on ad hoc basis against a valid sanction post. In regard to the claim of petitioner for regulation of service on a plea that he has been serving more than 10 years without any break prior to regulation of service by the then inspector of school, it is found that the petitioner was absent from duty unauthorizedly from the competent authority for a period with effect from so and so to so and so, and with effect from 21/8/2000 to 21/9/2000.
What is the school?
Lordship,
School, name of the school?
Lordship,
It's a provincialized school?
provincialized school, Lordship. The ad
So,
hoc
so
service-
if somebody is unauthorizedly absent, what are you supposed to do? Proceeding has to be drawn.
Yes. The ad
You
hoc
have not done anything.
Lordship. The
You have
ad hoc
done not-
service of
you have
the
not done
petitioner was
anything.
regularized by the inspector of
That-
school
that
without
was
taking,
telling in the year
without taking
2001.
any, actually,
Ah.
without taking any approval from the government by the official that so and so. GPF account bearing no so and so has been allotted to writ petitioner. Moreover, the writ petitioner has filed a writ petition bearing number so and so before this honorable court on 25/5/2023, claiming area salary with effect from 1/1/2005 to exactly after 17 years, 4 months, 25 days, which is much beyond a period of 3 years preceding the date of filing of the instant writ petition.
What is that, 3 years?
3 years, Lordship, there was a judgment of this honorable court that any area salary it should be limited to only 3 years.
So with the judgment.
Lordship, Lordship may take up at 2 p.m. Lordship. I'll bring that judgment also.
My lord, one thing, my lord. Here, they raised this point that unauthorized absent, that was closed, my lord, in the year 2001. This petition was filed, my lord. Again, that, your lordship, paragraph 95 of my reply. Yes, sorry, page 95 of my reply, my lord. Page 95 of my reply, my lord. Which is within their fair knowledge, my lord, they have suppressed this writ petition, that order, my lord. It's 25 years before, my lord, that writ petition was filed, my lord. Page 95, annexion 19, my lord, of my reply, my lord.
95.
Yes, Lordship, my lord, page 95, annexure 19.
What is the 95?
Page 95.
Yes, what is
Yes,
95?
Lordship, 95, my lord, this order starts from page 98, my lord. Page 98.
This is you only.
Yes,
How
sir.
many writ petitions you have filed?
Repetition, that was one in year 2001, my lord. That's 25 years before.
Question is, how many writ petitions have you filed?
Total file, my lord, is 3, this, including the earlier one.
3.
3, my lord. This is the first. Second was for the, that is,
First
GVR
was
account.
for
GVR account, third.
First was for what?
That period, that order was given, then thereafter that response number 2, my lord, issued a letter, my lord, regularized that period, my lord. Annexure 20, my lord. Page 100. Regularized that period.
Okay, after this, what happened?
Just page 100, my lord, annexure 20, the response number to regularize that period, my lord, in terms, in persons of this order, my lord, of this honorable court, my lord. Page 100, my lord, annexure 20.
Page 100. Are you saying page 100?
Page 100, page 100. Annexure 20, my lord.
Where is the order of regularization?
That is there, my lord, in inviting.
This is not an order. This is only a communication. That this is a High Court order. Take this is High Court
That
order.
I request you kindly to grant her leave as per Honorable High Court's order. Mention above with intimation to this office and to senior government authority.
Request to grant leave.
That is the order issued.
Where is that grant?
No, that is.
Order granting leave, where is it?
That is.
Not there. It is only a request. How can you understand this to be a grant of leave?
That is in my.
You may understand whatever, this doesn't make any sense to me. 5 minutes.
So as a whole, my lord, that's GBF account, this is the hurdle, my lord, the GBF account number allotted, my lord. So there should not be an impediment, my lord, releasing the yes, that is my submission, my lord. Had there been any anti-action, they should have taken action against the petitioner. They did nothing, my lord, till to date, my lord.
There is lack of information to dispose of this case. What to do?
Yeah, I can try at 2 PM or otherwise, let's see, on the reopening, let's see. 27 or 28. 27. Let the matter is on 28 or 27, let's see. I'll come with concrete information.
Are you going to give the salary or not?
As per my information, the department is going to pay his salary as per his actual attendance here.
Where is that instruction?
That instruction I have.
Please write down.
That
The claim of the petitioner is for payment of arrears salary from the month of January 2006 to January 2025. Stop. Although several statements have been made in the counter affidavit, with regard to the service condition of the petitioner, but the materials on record would go to show that our services have been regularized. pursuant to the inquiry held. And report submitted by the Deputy Director of School Education. Bracket Annexure 11. So further, GPF account has been allotted to the petitioner, as can be seen in Annexure 12. Next para, at this stage, Mr. P.P. Datta, learned counsel appearing for the secondary education department, submits that as per the instructions received by him,
Department is
the department
verifying the actual.
is verifying the actual,
Attendance of the petitioner both in physical and
okay, verifying the attendance of the petitioner,
both in physical and digital mode.
both in physical and digital mode
For taking a decision.
for the period claimed.
For which period they have not mentioned.
By her, isn't it? Ladies, this is a lady. By her. By the petitioner, and the department would pay the salary,
Would take a decision.
will take appropriate decision in the matter. Considering the submission of Mr. P.P. Datta, matter stands adjourned to enable him to get the up-to-date instructions by the next day. List again on so and so.
28,
No,
27.
but first week of February, my lord. I will not be available.
You? 10.
My lord, one thing, my lord, petitioner is going to retire next month,
February.
February.
Yes, sir.
Next month.
That is why you should have it on 27. Why you are taking time?
No, my lord, I will not be available. For checkup, my lord, I shall go out. First February or 7th February, like this. First or 2nd February.
Just see what date can be given.
5.
5-2.
Obliged.
No, in this case, the respondent too has filed has served me a copy of the counter affidavit, but the record reveals that they have not filed the counter affidavit. And although we have filed a reply to it on 28th of January, madam.
No, you have filed your reply.
I have filed my reply. They have served me a copy of the counter affidavit, but I think they have not filed it in the registry.
My lord, we have filed, my lord, on 10th of December, my lord.
The office note doesn't indicate.
And we have not received the reply also.
We have filed.
First you file, then let us get the reply. They say that you have not filed the reply. Office note also says that counter affidavit not filed.
Then, my lord, I will see it now.
Counsel for the petitioner submits that although he has received an advance copy of the counter affidavit and also filed a reply to the same, the counter affidavit appears to have not been filed by the petitioner since the same is not available on record. On the other hand, Mr.
DK Roy.
DK Roy, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number
2.
who submits that affidavit has been filed as per his information. On
10th of December 2025.
10th of December 2025. Stop. However, the fact remains that no such affidavit is available on record. Mr. DK Roy shall take up the matter with the registry. And the registry shall do the necessary verification, and if the same is filed, the affidavit be connected to the record. And reply your file?
I filed.
When?
28th of January, 20.
That also is not available.
28th of January, 20.
The petitioner's counsel also, no, the counsel for the petitioner also submits that reply affidavit has been filed on 20 January 2026. Stop, the same is also not on record. They just need to verify and connect all the affidavits with the record and list the matter on so and so.
26th.
Give him a copy also to Mr. D.K. Roy.
May I please, your Lord?
Yes.
Lordship, matter may be adjourned for the day and fix any another date as my
Why?
senior is currently out of station.
Counsel for the petitioner is said to be out of station. Applicant.
Yes.
Your
Lordship.
senior is the applicant,
Yeah, applicant.
also
Mr.
for the
Emperor.
petitioner,
No,
Your
no,
Lordship, in IA, they are the applicant.
and you are the petitioner.
I am the respondent. In IA.
In the writ petition,
In
who is the
petition,
petitioner?
I am the petitioner.
I see. Any objection to the prayer?
No, Your Lordship, the date may be fixed, Your Lordship, for admission again, February 10th.
Counsel for the applicant is outside to be out of station and on a prayer made on his behalf and not objected to the by the other side. Matter stands adjourned to be listed again on 92.
92.
Any interim order? No.
Yes, Your Lordship. Interim.
But this is for vacation. IA? Interim order passed earlier in the writ petition shall stand extended till the next date.
obliged.
Lordship, item number 17, we have prepared the affidavit sent it for vetting, Lordship. Lordship, we fix the matter on the first week of February, we will file our by the time. We have already sent for vetting.
Several occasions
Item
they have
number
taken
17.
time, your lordship pass an order to dispose the matter on the today itself. There is an order.
Okay, although
There is
this court had observed on the last court date that an attempt shall be made to
19
dispose of the writ petition on the next date. Mr. P. N. Sharma, learned standing counsel. Elementary Education Department submits that the counter affidavit, which has already been drafted, has been set for vetting and the same is awaited. He therefore prays for a short date. Considering the same, let the matter be listed again on so and so.
That may be fixed, your lordship.
19/2 is a date.
Master.
May I please, your Lordship?
Mhm.
Lordship, this is a case for non-payment of the salary, monthly salary, my lord. On last occasion, my lord, they were supposed to apprise the court by taking the instruction, my lord. They were supposed to submit the instruction, my lord. Yeah,
Who is the counsel for the other side? What is the instruction? 1,44,000.
Yes, Lordship. Page 32.
Hello, board the case.
Lecturer, Karimganj Polytechnic.
Yes, my lord, Karimganj.
Principal has also certified.
Okay, I have it, honorable.
Mr. Das, what is written in this letter? Please explain.
It is under process, my lord. Actually, what had happened initially, the principal of Karimganj Polytechnic, he has submitted the salary the salary details it was not submitted in a proper manner, my lord. That's why this Director of Technical Education asked them to submit those relevant documents in a proper form. They have submitted now on January 2026, my lord. The Director of Technical Education has written to the government for for finance sanction, ma'am.
When?
This letter is there, madam, the third page. No, that is wrong. 2026. Proposal for financial sanction under area salary head. There are three incumbents are there, my lord, whose salaries a few months has not been paid. So as a whole, this area salary proposal.
Okay, this has gone to the Commissioner and Secretary Higher Education.
Yes, madam.
Then from there, you'll go to the finance.
Yes, ma'am.
My lord, that proposal is wrong, my lord. Whereas, my lord, the first case, my lord, they are entitled 2 lakhs. My lord, it is only for one term, my lord. No? This calculation, as per their instruction, my lord. That,
What is your name?
Name Shyamol Krishna Roy, second one and third one. They have shown only 1,41,300. That is only for the one term. That is for the term for 2024. They are also entitled for the another term. That is lordship will find at page 35 and 36, my lord. Of my writ petition. That term has not been, that amount has not been reflected, my lord.
How much is the amount?
Total amount, petitioner number 1 is entitled for 2,40,300 and petitioner number 2 is entitled for 2,39,400. They in item number 21. In item number 21, my lord, Shyamol Krishna Roy, WPC number 6090.
What about this Shivayan car?
Shivayan car it is correct, my lord.
144.
144.
Then the other one is
Shyamol Krishna Roy
Shyamol Krishna Roy.
and Kohinoor Borvia. In case WPC number 6090, item
Okay.
21.
So both of them are entitled to how much?
Both are petition number 1 in 2,40,300. I have annexed all documents, my lord. These are not my documents, my lord. This is a proposal by the principal, my lord.
Where's the proposal? Show me. Relevant proposal.
That proposal has been started from, my lord, my writ petition. That is from started annexer 7 first.
Oh, give me the total proposal.
Yes, my lord. That is the regarding the approval for the area budget with reference to the subject stated above. I would like to forward.
Page.
That is from the 31 of my writ petition. 21, item number 21.
569.
6090. Writ petition number 6090.
I'm talking about the amount. 569. 700. So this is the amount only.
Amount, my lord, for the petitioner number 1, that is in the next page, my lord, page number 32. That is for the month of January 2024, 72,000, both of the petitioner. And next page, month of February 2024, 68,400. That is for the month of February 2024. Again, that has been the non-dual certificate also been submitted by the principal, which has been countersigned by the treasury officer. That is at page 34. That is for the month of January and February 2024. And next page, my lord, annexer 8, my lord, that is at page 35, my lord. That is another request for the
Give me
release
the
salary.
total amount, Mr. Council. Give me the
Total
total
amount for the petition number 1 is 2,40,300. That is Shyamol Krishna Roy.
For P1.
For 2,40,300.
For P1.
For P1.
And for P2?
P2, 2,39,400.
But here in the instruction received by Mr. Das,
Yes, ma'am.
it is shown that 1,40,400.
It is respect to January
Jamlal
24 to
Kumar Roy.
February 24.
This
And
is
my
P
letter
one.
friend is saying that he is also entitled to February, February, March of 25.
Yes, that is not my submission. This is the proposal of the principal, my lord. That is a statement by the principal, my lord.
I'll clarify on that issue, my lord, regarding this. Whether proposal for this month has been sent. or not. No, no, because fresh proposal has been sent by the college authority, my lord. Otherwise, this process is going on, my lord, regarding area salary for the month of January, February 2024.
So for Shibayan car,
That's
amount
correct,
is correct.
Correct, ma'am.
For the other two, there's some discrepancy.
Yes, ma'am.
You get the instruction.
Yes, ma'am.
These two petitions are filed for non-payment of, are they listed together or what? No,
Like,
they're tagged together.
yes.
These two, make a common order. These two petitions have been filed for payment of arrears salary. Stop the claimed amount in respect of the petitioner in WPC number 4 of 2026 is rupees 1,44,000, which is for the month of January and February of 2024. To stop the claimed amount in respect of WPC number 6090 of 2025 in case of the petition number 1 therein is rupees 240,300 and rupees 239,400 for petition number 2. Next para, Mr. S. Das, learned counsel appearing for the
So we are appealing for,
technical education
uh,
for higher.
yes, my lord. One,
Higher
two,
Education Department submits that as per the instructions received by him,
one, two,
uh,
1, 2, 4. 1, 3, 4.
the proposal has been sent to the government.
No, 1, 3, 4.
By the Director of Technical Education for obtaining the approval of the Finance Department. On 2026. So upon perusal of the said letter, it is seen that proposal in respect of the petitioner in WPC number 4 of 2026 is as per the claimed amount, but not in the case of the other two petitioners in WPC number 6090.
Yes.
Since they have been shown to be entitled to rupees 141,300 and 140,400 respectively. Next para, in view of above, Mr. S. Das shall obtain necessary instructions by the next date with regard to the discrepancy in the claim amount. Yes. When?
2 weeks, my lord.
List again on so and so. Communication date.
Right? Which is it?
5. Communication dated 21/1/2026 produced by Mr. S. Das.
Not 5, lordship in February.
Is retained on record and marks as a text file information.
If possible, my lord, in 6 March.
No, possibility would be on the part of Mr. Das. By which time can you get this instruction?
By 6, my lord,
6,
one day, my lord.
He said 2 weeks.
6 March.
Huh?
But she has given 5 March, my lord. My lord. Friend is saying that 6 March, my lord. Yes.
6 March. All right, 6 March.
If it is possible in the month of February, any date, my lord. Only he is seeking only 2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks.
All right, 6.
No, but we have to again adjust also, no? According to our timetable also. Yes.
Item number 38, my lord. For respondent five, my lord, we have filed one affidavit in opposition yesterday, my lord. My friend petitioner, my lord, he wants to file reply.
Only 10 days time may be required.
10 days time is granted to the petitioner to file a gender affidavit to the affidavit opposition
Five a respondent,
filed by the respondent number
five.
5. List again on so and so.
Lordship, item number 36, Lordship, of supply list, Lordship.
For 36, my lord, we need 2 weeks time to file our affidavit in opposition.
Lordship, a date may be fixed. Counter affidavit, they have not filed. Earlier also.
Mr. DK Royal Learned Counsel appearing for SEBA is granted further 2 weeks time to file counter affidavit. List again on so and so.
Obliged, Lordship.
You want to say?
One, your lordship, 36.
Okay, Miss
Terang,
Terangpi Learned Counsel appears for respondent number 6.
one lordship.
Sorry, respondent number 1. Have you filed an affidavit?
Our affidavit is not necessary, I think, your lordship.
And submits that affidavit of respondent number 1 is not necessary since the main respondent is SEBA. So how many cases are remaining? Okay, we'll come back in the afternoon.
Kindly peruse the last order, my lord. I have submitted one report, my lord, as he has not submitted his life certificate, my lord. That's why the provisional pension was stopped. And accordingly, honorable court asks to petitioner to convey the his certificate জমা দিলেন।
Lordship, the opposite side was supposed to file their affidavit today, but nothing has been filed yet. So they'll be seeking the time.
Okay, but the other aspect is you are supposed to file your certificate showing that you are alive.
Lordship, our client has not responded yet, but we have instructed our client to provide the provisional life certificate.
When? When will you?
On the last occasion only we have.
So once he submits that, then they'll process the matter.
My lord.
Will adjourn it then.
Lordship.
Counsel for the petitioner submits that he has instructed his client to submit the life certificate, which is essential for providing the provisional pension. That being the case, let the matter be decided again after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Also, so. Don't say 2 weeks, we'll list again also, it's on 26.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, I have informed my senior, he's on his way.
Okay. What was the earlier case?
Lordship, in this case, A Gogoi is appearing, Lordship.
Just a minute, earlier case was 20. Oh, 37 years old. That was 37. This is 30. Who is coming?
My senior is coming.
Regarding item number 30.
Yes.
And for the respondent, Dibrugarh University, A Gogoi is appearing, Lordship. Now he's in Lex, Lordship. This matter may be taken up any other day, Lordship.
Lordship, let my senior
And
come.
that's. Is this?
How long will it take, Mr. Gogoi?
So sometime.
He just started.
Sometime request.
Which courtroom?
Not said me, but I'm in the last time. And
he's in which court?
He not said on a specific court, Lordship. He's in, I'm not asking to whose court, Lordship.
So what is the problem?
Mr. Gogoi is on legs, standing counsel.
Then-
So I'm asking which court? So he's not, he doesn't know
I'm
which
not
court.
at in
For the time being, you want, for the time being.
on the time being also. That's all. I mean, the Xmeter night, Xmeter night. Or any other day that's.
We can start, my lord, if we can keep it parted also.
No, not part, Mr. Tatwani.
But the matter is very small, my lord. Now, whatever in nutshell, my lord, if I can tell you lordships. Well, the case is that he was a section officer of Dibrugarh University. And my lord, the chart, the main chart, that there was alteration in the account department, not in examination branch. He was in examination branch and they have said, the inquiry committee has found that he is not guilty of alteration, defalcation, anything. That is very clear.
The alteration of what?
Alteration of the accounts.
Accounts.
Accounts. Now, your lordship will find somewhere 2,000 have been made 20,000. 1 lakh has been made 1,50,000. Now, those were done in the account department.
What sort of account is that?
This is a university, my lord, they order for printing item and all that. And then it is sent to the university, what sort of document they want. And they make a bill of around 30 lakhs.
Just some overwriting.
Some overrating, alteration and all that. Now, it was never done in the examination branch. And the controller, in the same set of evidence, the controller has given a clean sheet, not clean sheet, he was a stoppage of 2 increments so far controller is concerned. So where I am concerned, it is a compulsory retirement.
You are working as what? You were working as
Section officer
section officer in the examination branch.
in the examination branch. And the allegation is that similar handwriting in the printing order and the bill. And it is, I mean, both the controller as well as the section officer, they overlook that. But then the bill was correct bill, even the printing order is also correct. Only the handwriting was similar and both of them ignored. Now, in that offense, controller has given the punishment of stoppage of 2 increment. So far I am concerned, it's a case of compulsory retirement. That is the only short point in this case. And
See-
my endeavor will be that punishment can be imposed to me, not of that compulsory retirement.
See, otherwise, you may say that it is something to do with the accounts, since I'm in the examination department.
Yes.
But placement of orders of such kind of materials has to be done under your supervision.
Is my lord,
Perhaps
ordinarily what happens, your lordship is correct. Ordinarily what a dealing assistance makes the printing order is given by the party. And the bill is made by the examination branch, that is by the dealing assistant. There is an evidence to that extent. Now it is done all by the dealing assistants. And the finding of the inquiry committee is also to that extent very correct.
What is the punishment given to the dealing assistant involved?
Dealing assistant, my lord, he has not, even the charge sheet has not been given to him.
Who all have been punished?
Punished, there are
Controller
from-
and yourself, section officer.
myself, the controller, and the 3 of the persons from the account department.
What is the penalty given to them?
That is, one is dismissal, one is compulsory retirement.
And
so
you are also compulsory. retirement.
compulsory retirement. In my case also, it's a case of compulsory retirement. Lord, I'll be able to satisfy your lordship that it's a case of, well, so far I am concerned, even they found that I am not, the charge against me, so far alteration and all that is not
Okay,
correct at all.
tell me one thing, will the departmental records be required?
My lord,
Some proceeding was drawn.
yes.
Pursuant to that, you have been penalized.
Right.
Let us have the records.
Record, they have already got it. My lord.
You have the records.
I see. I have not been informed of the passing law. I see. Global. But I see. No, the good question. Global.
My lord, your lordship is there in the next week.
No, not next week. Week after that. It can come up before any court.
Well, it's a very old case. That's why, my lord, my client is also pressing very hard. The lordship is in that 2017. In fact,
So-
it's a 2014 matters.
Case is very old, so you want to do the case before an old judge.
No, not that, not that.
And
Not that.
point is very short, my lord. I'll take hardly half an hour. Let
Anyway,
me start in the meantime.
no, no, no,
He cannot come, my lord, your lordship can accommodate.
no, 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 we'll not keep it as part. If
For
we start, we'll finish it. This is what I want. And,
Short date, when your losses are available in the short date, that will be.
Huh? 19-2.
19
আপনি আছেন?
19-2 is a Thursday.
My lord, let me check my diary because sometimes I'm busy in the outlying band.
Yes, yes.
All right.
Mr. K. Gogoi, learned standing counsel,
Dibrugarh
Dibrugarh University is said to be engaged in a different court. And therefore, the matter cannot be taken up today. In view of above, and as agreed, that the matter be listed on 19-2 for hearing.
Yes.
My lord, it's always very nice to argue with your lordship. Your lordship is
Yes.
so
No,
much
not at all.
accommodative. Plenty of, my lord, chance your lordship is to give. Oblige me.
No one there for the petitioner. Mohammed H.R. Ahmed.
My lord. In the last occasion, I have submitted one report of, and the honorable court asked me to file an affidavit by way on the record, my lord. Inadvertently, I miss out this order, my lord, so I may be allowed some time so that I can bring the instruction by way.
What instruction?
Last, kindly peruse the last order, my lord. That I have submitted that she is. no
Okay, none
longer-
appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Mr.
V. Talukdar.
B. Talukdar, learned counsel appearing for the
Standing council elementary education.
Elementary Education Department submits that may be given some time to file an affidavit in terms of the last court's order dated 9/12/2025. So is allowed. Miss P. Kashyap, learned counsel appears for the respondent BTC. View of above, list the matter again and so.
Right.
Lordship, my senior is engaged in another court, can this matter be taken?
Who's your senior?
Be Bhuya.
Standing counsel, BTC.
My lord, there is urgency, my lord, so petitioner also, my lord, pressuring, my lord. So, my lord, I want early disposal, my lord.
Lordship, expect this matter can.
Earlier occasion also, my lord, the petitioner, respondent side also remains sometimes absent, my lord.
A.K. Bhuyan is also there.
Yes, my lord.
V. Bhuyan is also there.
Yes, your lordship.
How many standing counsel are there in all? BTC?
4, your lordship.
4.
My lord, impugned order, my lord, was issued, my lord, by the Commissioner Secretary, my lord, Elementary Education Department. my lord.
So BTC has no role.
No, my
What?
lord, BTC also
My
had role.
instruction, my lord, permanent jurisdiction under the BTC, my lord. And we have
But the impugned order issued by the, my lord,
earlier.
Commissioner.
Now, my lord, before BTC.
No, impugned order also issued, my lord, in the year 2020, my lord.
Okay, right like this. Although the learned counsel for the petitioner expresses urgency in the matter. But since Ms. B. Bhuyan, learned's standing counsel for the BTC respondent is engaged in a different court. The matter stands adjourned to be listed again on so and so. You want a short date or
My
what?
lord.
Needs any short date possible?
Oh, bless.
Yeah, please, your lordship.
Yes.
Your lordship,
This writ petition, my lordship, I appeared for interview and as per the merit list, my lordship,
Interview for what?
my lordship, for teachers in LP school, my lordship, for appointment the teacher tutor of LP school.
LP school.
LP school, my lordship. So I'll show the impugned first provisional merit list on page 29 and the impugned second provisional merit list, page 32. My lordship, page 32, and the relevant portion is page 34. The cutoff marks is here 204.100. From my marks, my lordship, it is more than that, and I am also from OBC category. In page 4, my lordship, I have given my marks, my lordship. Subtotal of percentage of marks obtained 205.47, my lordship. Page 4, my lordship. Page 4 may be seen. Page 4 of the writ petition.
You are talking about page 34.
Page 34. It is the that is the impugned list, my lordship. Impugned merit list. In that merit list, my lordship.
Your name is not there?
No, my lordship. It is cutoff marks is that is 205.100, my lordship.
205 or 204?
204.100. 204.100.
This is ST.
Yes, my SC.
You are saying OBC.
I am also SC, my lordship. Sorry, my lordship. And mine is 205.47.
Where is that?
I have page 4 for tabulation I have given, my lordship.
Page 4.
Page 4 to tabulation I have given, and relevant documents also I have annexed, my lordship.
Show me the document.
Yes, my lordship. Document. Annexure 2, my lordship, page 15 is my Assam Higher Secondary Education Council mark sheet. Then
15.
page 15, my lordship. And then later on I give betterment for several subject, my lordship, Assam Higher Secondary.
No.
Subjects appeared under betterment scheme, betterment chance.
No. How do you derive this 205.47?
Yes, my lordship. HSLC out of 500, 389 marks. And DLED out of 1400, 1022 marks. DLED mark sheet I have given on page.
Then
page 18, my lordship.
Okay, let's go to the chart only, page 4.
Yes, my lordship.
On CTET, you got 1 out of 150.
Yes, my lordship. There, English, Bengali, physics, chemistry, mathematics. Then I appeared in betterment, English, Bengali, physics, chemistry, and mathematics. So 200, 233.
What is that?
Assam betterment examination, my lordship.
In what? Which?
In Assam Higher Secondary Education Council mark sheet final examination, my lord, 2012.
Higher Secondary School Leaving Certificate?
Yes. No, yes, my lordship. Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, Higher Secondary, my lordship, not HSS.
Of course, higher secondary.
Yes, my lordship.
How much is the marks you obtained?
My lordship. In the
How much? Please come back to page 4.
Yes, my lordship.
Chart.
Page 4, my lordship.
This chart you given.
Yes, my lordship.
Marks obtained 389.
389, my lordship.
This is in
It
the
is as far
improvement.
as the maximum marks obtained, my lordship, in particular subjects. If you go to by betterment, if I sit in betterment, always in a maximum marks obtained in a particular subject, my lordship. That is how it is counted, my lordship. In the affidavit in opposition also, they have not disputed, my lordship, that fact, my lordship, that marks, my lordship.
No, Where is the
Their,
certificate?
their contention is that I have not uploaded this mark sheet. That is the only contention they have.
Where is the mark sheet from you?
Mark sheet is, first mark sheet on page 15, annexure 2, and second mark sheet is page 16, annexure page 16, under annexure 2 also. And third mark sheet is page 17, total 326. Mm-hmm. 326.
326. But in your chart, you have shown as 389.
Chemistry 52, mathematics 85, 77, how does
How many times you sat for the exams?
My lordship, three times, my lordship.
3 times.
3 times.
That is for improvement.
Yes, my lordship. First, I sat on 2011, then I said on 2012, and under a particular scheme, my lordship, the National Institute of Open Schooling, they allowed me to sit, my lordship, and then again I said, my lordship, English, chemistry, mathematics, and physics for these 4 subjects, my lordship.
Then,
and so after this betterment, my lordship, my total marks came on 389, my lordship, 77.88%, my lordship.
389. From where you are seeing that?
26, 4 subjects. 4 subject and English plus English.
Where did you get that
MIL
389?
63, MIL 63. 26 plus here 63. So 60, 70, 80. Yes, my lordship. Here English, chemistry, mathematics, and physics. And only Bengali marks from earlier exam, my lordship. 63.
So against 326.
326 plus Bengali, my lordship.
You have to add
English,
63.
chemistry, mathematics, and physics. English, chemistry, mathematics, and physics plus Bengali 63, my lordship.
So Bengali has to be added.
Yes, my lordship.
Then it becomes 389.
389, my lordship. And then, my lordship, in other, also, my lordship, I have scored out of 1400, 1022, and seated out of 150, I have scored 82. So I am from SC category candidate, my lordship. I have next schedule cast certificate, page 14, my lordship, can be seen. Page 14. This is my schedule cast certificate. They have also filed affidavit, my lordship. And they could not elaborately answer why they had dropped me, my lordship. Only that I have not uploaded the document. My lord,
Which document?
my lord, they are saying that first mark sheet I have not uploaded. My lord, from the first mark sheet, no marks has been added, my lordship. And that options are also not there in the system.
First mark sheet means annexure 2.
Annexure 2, my lordship. First mark sheet. This is no marks has been added from there, my lordship, because it is of 2011, my lordship. Later on, my lordship, I have given betterment, and under NIOS, I have appeared for betterment. And there is no bar, my lordship, that I should not sit for improvement, my lordship. They're not denying that I have not got the marks. They are saying that I have not uploaded. So there is no option for uploading all the marks, my lord. Relevant mark sheet I have uploaded, and I have appeared for verification also. With all my mark sheets.
What have you not uploaded according to them?
According to them, only first mark sheet. That is the mark sheet of 2011, my lordship.
That is not uploaded.
Yeah, I uploaded, my lord. But in verification, my lordship, I have while verification, I have taken all my mark sheets, my lordship, and there is no option of uploading all the mark sheet, my lordship. And no marks from that mark sheet has been added, my lordship. And as per notification, my lordship, I have annexed the notification.
So which marks have been taken into consideration?
My lordship.
Page 17.
Page 17, my lordship. These marks they have taken into consideration.
But this page 17 does not include Bengali.
Yes, my lordship. They have not considered that page 17 mark sheet, my lordship. That is my grievance, my lordship. Although I have uploaded this one.
Okay, 17 has not been considered.
Yes, my lordship.
What have they considered?
My lordship, they are telling that they have considered
16.
Yes, my lordship, only Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, page 16 they have considered.
Only 16.
Only 16.
But if you consider page 17 with the
Then-
Bengali marks,
Then my
Then
marks comes to 205, my
your
lord.
marks come to 205.47,
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lordship.
which is more than the last selected candidate.
Yes, my lord. That is my case, my lord.
That is your case. Yes.
We have filed our affidavit, my lord. Kindly peruse page 36, my lord, paragraph 3, my lord. We have stated clearly, my lord. Got it? Page 36, my lord.
Yes, we.
Page paragraph 3, that the deponent denies the correctness of statement made in so and so, which are contrary inconsistent with the record and instant case. The deponent begs to state that as per report received from the technical support for recruitment process, it is evident that the petitioner has tried to mislead the honorable court by stating that he has submitted or uploaded the original mark sheet of HSLC under Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, which he has annexed as Annexer 2 to the writ petition, since the same has not been submitted by him along with his online application. Apart from that, the petitioner has submitted two sets of mark sheet and certificate issued by two different authorities, that is Assam Higher Secondary Education Council and NIOS, National Institute of Open Schooling. Therefore, it is clear that the petitioner has submitted the betterment certificate and betterment mark sheet which he did under Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, but did not upload the original HSLC mark sheet under Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, as he has stated that the writ petition. It is also revealed from the certificate and mark sheet annexed with the writ petition that the petitioner has done HSLC as well as betterment from Assam Higher Secondary Education Council and Senior Secondary School Examination from NIOS. Therefore, as per government notification 5 number so and so and decision of District Elementary Education DE Assam as reflected by letter number so and so dated 28/2/2023, the betterment mark sheet of the petitioner done under Assam Higher Secondary Education Council has been taken into consideration as that it is the first betterment the petitioner did in 2012. As per that betterment mark sheet, the total mark of the petitioner is not 205.47 as he submitted in the writ petition, but 174.267 as shown as follows. My lord, the chart given, my lord, next page 37, HLC 500, 247. Therefore, the total marks obtained by the petitioner is less than the cutoff mark in the district he applied for, and therefore the candidate is rejected, my lord. And the notification, my lord, I have annexed, my lord, annexer A and B, my lord. Where, my lord, clearly stated that the betterment mark sheet is to be consideration can be more than one, therefore there cannot be question as accepting any alternative and betterment improvement mark sheet, my lord. Page 40, annexer B, my lord, paragraph point number 3, my lord. So as he had not uploaded the betterment mark sheet, my lord, his cutoff mark is less than 205, my lord. So the candidature is rejected, my lord. And
Last mark sheet I have uploaded, my lordship. My first mark sheet, that is which no relevance is there, that was I did not upload. The first mark sheet with no marks has been added from there.
Where do
My
they
lord,
say?
on affidavit in reply may be seen, my lordship. Para 4, my lordship. May I read, my lordship?
No. Please listen to me first. Where do they say in their counter affidavit that you have not uploaded the first mark sheet?
My lordship. I have answered everything in my verified affidavit in reply. May I read, my lordship?
my lord. First,
Is it your case?
My lord.
Is it your case that since he has not uploaded the first mark sheet,
My lord.
we cannot consider
My
this
lord,
mark?
as he has not uploaded first marks, my lord, and subsequently, my lord,
Which mark sheet have you considered?
I have,
2012.
my lord,
You have considered 2012, correct?
my lord, into consideration as the first betterment of the petitioner did 2012, my lord.
So 2012 has been considered,
Consider, my lord.
but petitioner appeared in 2000. What is this? Which year? 2022 also.
yes, my lord. That is the final mark sheet, my lordship. On NI.
2022 also.
That was, that mark sheet he has not uploaded, my lord.
My lordship, that is, I haven't, there in the first mark sheet I have not uploaded, my lordship. Maybe.
No, 2000.
Second and third I have uploaded, my lordship.
2022 you have uploaded.
Yes, my lordship, I have uploaded, my lordship.
Where is that? Where have you stated that?
My lordship. Affidavit, my lordship, I have stated. May I read, my lordship? In regard to the statement made in para 3 of the affidavit in opposition, the deponent begs to state that a plain reading of the order dated 28/2/2023. My lordship, kindly see the order dated 28/2/2023. It is on page 39, my lordship. Page 39 of the affidavit in opposition, my lord. Affidavit in opposition. Page 39 of the affidavit in opposition.
What is this?
Page 39. May I read first, my lordship, this order, then I'll go to my affidavit in opposition. my
What is this order?
Yes, my lordship. Whereas the Director of Elementary Education
Just a
Assam
minute.
published.
Mr. Counsel,
Yes, my lord.
can you listen? Can you hear to me?
Yes, my lord.
Can you hear me? Speak.
Yes, my lord. My lord, at first, yes.
Did I say read?
Yes.
Did I say read?
No, my lord.
I said, what is this
My
document?
lord, this
Then you start reading.
These documents.
You don't want to listen to the court, then I will not listen to you also.
I beg your pardon.
You argue yourself,
I beg your pardon, my lord.
I will not listen to you.
This document, my lordship, allowed me to sit in the betterment exam, my lordship. On the basis of this document, my lordship, I appeared in the betterment exam. This supports my last mark sheet, my lordship.
No, this allows you to sit in the betterment
ma'am.
exam.
Yes,
Listen. Don't interrupt. This document allows you to sit for the betterment exams in the year 2022.
Yes, my lordship.
But this order is made in 2023.
My lordship. This document might have allowed my document, my mark sheet to be considered, my lordship. They cannot deny my mark sheet because of this document, my lordship. NIS takes exam every year, my lordship. They, by means of this order, my lordship, my mark sheet has become valid, my lordship, to be considered for appointment. They have clarified it.
So how many mark sheets do you have? Tell me.
My lord.
How many mark sheets do
Three
you
mark
have?
sheets, my lordship.
Starting from
Starting from my original mark sheet when I appeared.
which year?
In the year 2011 first, my lordship.
Then
Then in the year 2012, my
then
lordship.
third one,
And third one is the final, that is 2022, my lordship.
22.
22.
Now you are showing an order of
Yes, my
2023.
lordship. Yes. By means of that order, this mark sheet, my lordship, 2022 has been allowed to be considered for appointment.
No,
my
which page was that? Which
My
page? Which page was that?
Page 39, my lordship. Para is 1, 2, 3, 4th para, my lordship.
Not the paragraph, the document,
Document.
Document.
which you were just about to read.
Page 39, Annexure A, affidavit in opposition, my lordship. They have annexed it as Annexure A in their affidavit in opposition. One, two, three, 5th para, my lordship.
When was the physical document verification done?
Yes, my lord, done, my lordship. I have appeared for physical verification with all my documents.
Again, see, I don't know, we are not in the same wavelength. Either you cannot hear me or you don't understand what I'm saying. I'm asking you, when was the document verification done? Which date? Which date, which month, which year?
Yes, my lordship. Just. On verification on 22/3/2023.
23,
22/3.
22, 3,
Para 7 of the writ petition I have stated, my lordship.
date 22,
22/3/2023. As per notice dated 13/3/2023. As per notice dated 13/3/2023.
date is 22.
Yes, ma'am. 22/3/2023. As per notice dated 13/3/2023. I have annexed the notice as annexure 5, my lordship.
So this document at page 39 does not help you then? It does not help you because verification was already done. When this order was issued, verification already happened. This order says that considering all aspects, it is decided in the forthcoming means the date which is going to come in the near future.
Yes, my lordship.
It is decided in the forthcoming physical document verification against the aforementioned advertisements. The best of the subject from both the marks sheets
No, my lord. Date of order it is
will be considered.
28/2/2023 and I went for verification on 22/3/2023.
March.
March.
Okay.
After this order, my lordship.
Okay, it's
After
March.
this order.
This is February. Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Now, from where did you get that date? 22/3?
My lordship, annexure 5, my lordship, page annexure 5 and 6, I have annexed, my lordship. Annexure 5 is page 27, my lordship, of the writ petition.
27.
Yes, my lord.
Twenty-seven.
27.
Fourteen three and 24/3. 2 dates.
Yes, my lordship.
You appear on which date?
I appear on 22, my lordship. 22.
On 22, okay. Now, can you show me the advertisement?
Yes, my lordship. In advertisement, my lordship, advertisement on page 20, my lordship.
20.
20, my lordship. In advertisement also, my lordship, they have not stated that my mark sheet won't be considered. This is at page 20 is the advertisement, my lordship.
So where is the provision in the advertisement which says that the uploaded documents have to be uploaded?
Page clause 11, my lordship. The online application and documents submitted by the candidate will be verified with the help of DigiLocker, Government of India, and by scanning barcode and QR code for ensuring genuineness of the uploaded document, as well as by back office verification. with the competent board council authority, but the authority, if desires, may conduct physical document verification at any point of time with with proper notice.
Okay. Now, did you upload your improvement mark sheet
Yes, my lord, I have uploaded, my lordship.
of the year 2022?
Yes, my lordship.
You have.
Yes, my lordship. They are saying that I have not uploaded my first mark sheet
Where is that?
in the affidavit of opposition.
Which part, which sentence, which paragraph?
There are three, my lord,
There
page
are-
36.
there are third.
Paragraph 3. Read.
That the deponent denies the correctness and statement made in paragraph 3, 4 and such of the writ petition, which are contrary and to and inconsistent with the records of the instant case. The deponent begs to state that as per the report received from the technical support and recruitment process, it is evident that the petitioner had tried to mislead the court by stating that he has submitted or uploaded the original mark sheet of HSLC under AHSC, Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, which has annexed as Annexer 2 to the writ petition, since the same has not been submitted by, well, I have, I have not uploaded, my lordship, where in the writ petition I have not stated that I have uploaded that. The documents, my lordship, second and third I have uploaded. Upload the original mark sheet, and original mark sheet, my lordship, no marks, my lordship. I am not relying on any marks, my lordship.
He has submitted or uploaded the original
sheet,
mark sheet of
HSLC and Assam Higher
HS
Secondary Education Council.
HSSLC under AHSBC. Now, the one in 2011
And second is
and the one in 2012 is both from HSEC only.
Past is betterment exam, my lordship. Apart from that, the petitioner has uploaded. There they has admitted, my lordship.
No, first is betterment.
Past is betterment under Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. And second is under NIOS in the year 2022.
Oh. No, come to page 15, 16, 17. These are the three mark sheets.
Yes, my lord.
15 is the first one. This is under the Assam Higher Secondary Education
ma'am.
Council.
And second is a betterment under the same board, my lordship.
Correct. And third one is NIOS.
NIOS, my lordship. I have
Now what is the statement here? It says that
here says that I have uploaded, my lordship, the NIOS mark sheet and the betterment mark sheet.
he has tried to mislead the court by stating that he has submitted or uploaded the original mark sheet of HSSLC under AHSC, which he has annexed as annexure 2 to the writ petition. Since the same has not been submitted by him along with the online application. So this is the one. Annexure 2.
Yes, my lordship.
But annexure 2 is not required.
No, my lordship.
Because marks is from the improvement only.
Yes, my lord.
From the
I have,
betterment.
since the same has not been submitted by him. And they have admitted, my lordship. Apart from that, the petitioner has submitted two sets of mark sheet and certificate issued by different authorities, AHSCC and NIOS. So both I have uploaded, my lordship. They have admitted that.
So what is the problem now then, Mr. Counsel?
Problem is that, my
See,
lord,
you do not require annexure 2. Annexure 2 has got less marks.
my lord, but
No need to upload that. But he has uploaded annexure page 16 and page 17. So importantly, I think he is relying upon page 17 along with page 16. Page 17 is the best marks, but that MIL Bengali is not there. So if you add MIL Bengali in page 17, he will be getting more than the minimum, more than the last cut-off candidate. 205.47 would be the marks as claimed by you. So
As-
what do you say on the
as
contention?
per my affidavit and instruction, my lord, which mark sheet he have submitted, my lord, from there, he has not get the cutoff mark, my lord. He stated the 205. My lord, kindly peruse the next paragraph, my lord. Para 3, next paragraph. Therefore, as per government notification so and so dated, the betterment mark sheet of the petitioner done under Assam Higher Secondary Education has been taken into consideration as that the first betterment of the petitioner did in 2012.
No,
As per
where,
that betterment mark sheet, the total mark of the petitioner is not 205.
where are you
Public
reading?
47, my lord, page 36, paragraph 3. But 174.267 as shown as follows. Therefore, my lord, his candidature is rejected, my lord, because he, as per his mark sheet, my lord, the cutoff mark is 174.267, not 205, which he uploaded, my lord, from this mark sheet.
No, what do you mean by that? I don't understand.
My lord, what he uploaded, my lord, from that it is revealed that his cutoff mark is 174 mark, total mark, my lord. So he is rejected, my lord. If you lordship.
No,
think the
no.
merit
See,
is-
you don't dispute the fact that he has uploaded the betterment marks conducted the mark sheet of 2022
My lord,
and the other one,
2012, my lordship.
2012 and 2022. You have not considered 2022. Why? Is there any such kind of provision which says that you have to consider only the first betterment marks, not the third betterment marks?
as per my lord, government notification, my lord, annexa,
Government notification dated 28/2.
my lord, then next paragraph, next page, my lord.
No,
Annexa B.
just a minute. Let us read this again. Therefore, as per government notification dated so and so, and decision of DEE Assam as reflected by so and so, the betterment marks sheet of petitioner done under AHSCC has been taken into consideration, as that is the first betterment of the petitioner date in 2012. So now let us see this notification. Is there any prohibition? Where do you have that notification?
My lord, kindly peruse the next page, my lord, the next. Annexa B, my lord. Criteria for verification of documents submitted during online application of candidate against advertisement dated so and so.
28/2/2023,
My lord,
correct?
same date, my lord.
That is precisely what I'm asking. 28/2. So, which part prohibits?
My lord, paragraph 2, as per the decision of the government by order.
Paragraph
number
2.
so-and-so dated 28D based of the.
Just a minute. Where
lord,
from? Where's paragraph 2? Which one?
Annexa B, page 40, my lord. Yeah, in our affidavit, my lord. What you got it, my lord?
Yes, as per.
As per the decision of the government by order under memo number so and so dated 28 February 20D, based of the subjects from the original HS examination and that of the betterment of the improvement mark sheet submitted by the candidates are to be considered for calculating the total marks in higher secondary examination. Original, here original also, however, it needs to
be ensured.
Ensure that these
Those
subjects from the betterment improvement mark sheets are to be considered only which were there is in their original oblique earlier HS examination subject even if scoring higher marks which were not there in their original HS examination are not
No,
to
this
be
is not
considered.
relevant.
All the other procedure will be follows.
This is not
earlier.
relevant.
Paragraph 3, betterment marks is in no condition can be more than one. Therefore, there cannot be any question of accepting any alternative betterment improvement marks sheet.
This is the one which is relevant.
My lord.
Number 3 is relevant now. Read again.
My lord, which
Number 3.
Number 3, betterment marks is in no condition can be more than one. Therefore, there cannot be any question of accepting any alternative betterment improvement marks.
So that is why You did not accept the NOIS. It seems. Counsel for the petitioner. This is where the crux of the matter lies.
My lord.
You may have betterment marks 10 times. And you can ask the authority, choose the best one. That is not possible because of this.
My lord, but this.
They're only accepting the first one.
First one.
First one is in 2012.
But my lordship, it's order, my lordship, it is issued by the government, secretary to the government of Assam. This order dated 28 February 2023, my lordship.
What is this from Director of Elementary Education
The
to
Director of Elementary Education, my lordship.
whom? Who is this NEICOM?
Director of Elementary Education, Director of Elementary Education to impression, it is some communication, my lordship.
Mr. Counsel, please answer the question. We'll make things easier.
Yes, my lordship.
I ask you a question, you answer something else.
Yes.
I'm talking about page 40.
Yes, my lordship.
This letter is written by the director to whom?
It is NEICOM.
Why?
impressions.
Who are these people?
That I don't know, maybe
Yes,
some private.
My lord, maybe they have, my lord, who uploaded the software, my lord.
Method is for uploaded software.
Don't say I don't know. You are supposed to know.
My lord, this is a private.
You are the engaged counsel.
My
You
lord,
should know.
this is not government institute. This is the.
I have to take a step.
No, I'm not asking you their name and address and whatnot. I'm asking you
Those who are at the.
what is the relevance? You have the habit of talking while I'm talking, Mr. Counsel. I'll adjourn this matter
My lord.
if it goes on like this. See, this NACOM, what is their role in this selection process? That you must know. You are the counsel, you should know. NACOM is doing what? They are doing some sort of a job of uploading documents or what? What are they doing? Government counsel also tell me.
They outsource some work to that department, my lordship,
They have been outsourced for doing what?
for uploading and verification.
Verification
Yes,
also.
my lordship. This is a system. Those who are maintaining the system.
Okay. Now, next question is for the government council. Secretary, Department of School Education has given an order,
My lord.
page 39. Now, can the director make some improvement on that and say, he will take this much only, he will not take this much?
Director, my lord, issued this communication, my lord, on the basis of this order.
That is what, it is not there in the government's order.
My lord.
So from where did he imported that clause 3? Betterment, this one, betterment mark sheet in no condition can be more than 1. Therefore, there cannot be any question of accepting any alternative betterment improvement mark sheet. This sentence, where do you get in the government's order?
My
Director
lord,
has made his,
in order, my lord, page 39, my lord. The last paragraph, my lord, bottom last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, paragraph number 5, my lord. Page 39. Therefore, considering all aspects, it is decided that the forthcoming physical document verification against aforementioned advertisement, the best of subjects from both team mark sheet, original HLC and that of the betterment improvement under SOS will be considered, but that will be only in case of subject are same. Would that the original HLC mark sheets of the candidate, subject that are not in earlier qualifying examination oblique original HLC will be
that is not relevant.
will not be considered.
It is nobody's case that subject is different. Subject is same. So it is not relevant what you've read. What perhaps may be relevant is the third paragraph. Read the third paragraph. The second last line.
My lord.
For applying.
Also keep subject to due to like.
For applying. Second last.
My lord. For applying under improvement scheme, index may reappear in the same subject only, and one chance will be given to regular learner.
One chance. What does it mean?
That instruction I have to take my.
Well,
I got the last
two
occasion
chance
to-
never be given, that's why this.
So thing is that petitioner has got a mark sheet from National Institute of Open School permitting him to appear for improvement. Before that, he had two mark sheets from Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. And he got the second chance from NIOS. Nobody has prohibited him. He could appear and he got the marks. So why this mark was not taken into consideration? Any prohibition anywhere?
Yeah,
That is the only issue involved here now.
I know.
If the prohibition was wrong, then he gets a case. If prohibition was right, then there is no case.
Nice.
Only that short point.
Yeah.
Who will clarify?
That instruction I have to take, my lord. And my lord, more regarding then, I have also want to take instruction, my lord, whether this is complete or not, my lord. Maybe this process is complete, my lord, and they have already, my lord.
The interim order is there, my lord, interim protection is there. my
What
lord.
is the interim protection?
One post should not be, they have agreed that in the, that one
And
post.
my lord, and my another.
Order
question
dated
that
24/5,
if he
2023.
challenge this, my lord, then my lord, could kindly peruse the page 34 and page 31, my lord. They have first provisional list and second provisional list. If he claim, my lord, his marks is 205, then those are in first provisional list, one serial number 14 is less than him, and second provisional 13, 14 and 15 less than. He has to made a party, my lord, in this because
He has not made them a party.
my lord.
No, I am not attacking them, my lordship. In the honorable court, they have
If,
accepted
if
that.
your lordship allow
On
this
24/5,
case, my lord, then
2023, since it is submitted that more vacancies are likely to arise in the event of petitioner is successful, this court would consider passing appropriate orders for this appointment. On 22/5/2023, honorable High
No,
Court has
what is that?
clarified,
What is that? What are you reading?
order dated 24/5/2023, my lordship. Motion day, my lordship, on the motion day. Last line, my lordship.
How does it help you?
My lord, since it is submitted that more vacancies are likely to arise in the event the petitioner is successful, the court would consider passing appropriate orders for his appointment.
So more vacancies have come.
My lordship, they
Where
have
is that?
they stated that there are likely more vacancies
Who
are there.
submitted? Who submitted
At
that?
the time of on 24/5/2023, the Learned Council B. Kaushik, Land Standing Council, my lordship.
Who submitted that? It does not say so that B. Kaushik submitted that. The sentence begins with, since it is submitted that more, it could have been you also. And where's the interim order?
This is my lordship. This is the only in some observation.
This is not an interim order. Don't mislead the court like that. There is no interim order as such. From where you are saying one post to be kept vacant? Huh?
My lord, and on the motion day, my lordship, the Land Standing Council.
No,
for
show me from the order, from the record. Where is it written that one post be kept vacant?
No, my lordship.
From where are you submitting then?
More vacancies are likely to arise, my lordship.
That is nothing. That is not.
Only I have not made them part.
No, that is not the thing which you said. You said one post should be kept vacant. Where is it? Written nowhere. Don't imagine orders. Please write. We'll write like this. An advertisement was issued on 11/2/2023 by the Directorate of Elementary Education for filling up of 3887 vacancies of assistant teacher of LP schools. And the petitioner also participated in the process. So according to the petitioner, although he or she,
He, my lord.
he scored 205.47 marks as per his own calculation, which is more than the last selected candidate in respect of the scheduled caste category, scoring 204.100, comma, the petitioner has not been selected and appointed. Stop. According to the petitioner, he had secured 233 marks only in the higher secondary final examination. This is for which year? 2011 or 2012? No.
Attachment my lord, 11 to 2020.
Huh?
Advertisement. Marksheet my lord, 12.
Please come to page 15.
Yes, my lordship.
How much marks?
This is 313, my lordship.
Then within bracket plus minus 05, what does it mean?
Some grace kind of, my lordship. 313 is third division, 313 is the next to original mark sheet.
So you cancel the marks.
Yes, my lordship.
You write instead of 233, you write 313. Open bracket plus minus then 05 close bracket marks in the higher secondary examination of 2011. Comma, he again appeared for betterment examination conducted in 2012 and secured a total of 233 marks. Stop. Thereafter, the petitioner again appeared for betterment marks in the year 2022, conducted by the National Institute of Open Schooling and secured 326 marks.
Bengali marks is not there.
I am aware of that, Mr. Counsel. Stop. According to the petitioner, by adding 63 marks, which the petitioner scored in the betterment examination conducted in 2012, comma, the petitioner would be getting a total marks of 389 marks, and thereby earning a percentage of 205.47. in aggregate. Which then becomes more than the last selected candidate from the SC category. Next para. The respondent Elementary Education Department through its director has filed their affidavit in opposition, and stand taken is that the government of Assam in the Department of School Education on 28/2/2023 had issued an order with regard to the manner in which the physical document verification is to be done for the candidates who appeared for the selection in terms of the advertisement dated 11/2/2023. Although the said order does not specifically provide that a candidate cannot sit for more than one betterment marks comma, the instruction given by the Director of Elementary Education to the NEICOM, bold, in bold letters, NEICOM, then impressions, NACOM impressions on 28/2/2023, bracket, annexure B of the counter affidavit, close bracket, at clause 3 provides that betterment mark sheets in no condition can be more than one, and therefore there cannot be any question of accepting any alternative betterment improvement mark sheet. Stop. The same appears to be the reason for denying the petitioner to be considered for the post in question by accepting the betterment marks obtained by him. In the examination conducted in the year 2022 by National Institute of Open Schooling. Next, para in view of above, Mr.
B. Talukdar.
B. Talukdar, Learned Standing Council, Higher Education, Elementary Education shall obtain instructions as to whether there is any restriction issued by the state government for not considering the betterment marks apart from the first betterment marks by the next date. List again on so and so. Mr. Talukdar, I hope you understood.
My lord, my lord.
Supposing a person appears betterment 1, 2, 3, 4. You will only consider the first one, the rest you cannot consider. Is it like that? That you obtain the instructions.
Can it be kept as a part heard, my lordship?
I've reflected what is the position, so it will be easy for anybody who will look into it and deal with the matter. Okay. Complete. See, I'll ask you, advise you, learned counsels, see, when the court asks questions, first listen, then answer. When I'm talking, you also talk, everybody talks, it becomes like fish market. Nobody's listening to anybody. Nobody understands what's good. Everybody's in their own world. So first
I'll obey this,
understand, analyze, then answer like that.
I'll obey this.
So that way, things will be faster, you see. We can quickly move to the next case like that. Otherwise, it takes time to understand.
I beg your pardon, my lordship, I have interrupted, my lordship.